Bodega Boys.
Yes, hello. This is the NBA Snitch Hotline. How can I help you?
Yeah. Yo, this is anonymous, right?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, I seen some violators, bro. I gotta tell you, man. Like, I don't want to.
Okay. Anything unsafe? Would love for you to report. That's what we're trying to do here. We're just trying to keep the bubble safe. Yeah.
Bro, like, not for nothing, bro. Yo, I seen LeBron and he was smoking krills, just straight up crack rock in front of the hotel, bro. And I seen James Harden. He was wearing a pro cops face mask, and then he was putting tacos in his butt. And then who else? Russell Westbrook. Yeah, he killed a baby. Yeah, I seen these things.
He murdered an infant.
He shot a baby in the lobby. It was wild, bro. And it's like Steph Curry.
Oh, okay. Yeah. He's very wholesome. He's a good guy. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. His wife is a robot. Like, I don't even think that's against the rules, but, like, I seen him change her battery. Like, you know.
Wow.
Yeah, bro. It's fucking wild here, bro. Like.
Okay. What does any of this have to do with COVID-19?
Oh no, these that's what this snitch had. This was supposed to snitch niggas out, right? I mean,
no. I'm sorry. Yeah, no. We know. Like, they're 20-year-old millionaires. They're gonna do wild stuff. This is just more so like.
Oh, could you hold on a second?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bro? Yeah, that's cool. Nah, I'm just calling my mom, bro. Yeah, all right. I'll see you later, bro. Bro, it's getting hot in here. Like, it's not safe. Can you guys put me in witness protection?
No, this is just for people violating.
Bro, if people find out I'm 6'9", like, bro, like, you know, I'm gonna get shot.
How? Okay, so am I speaking to Takashi right now?
I'm not Takashi. I'm an anonymous basketball player, bro. Like, I'm just anybody. I could be like a Nick. I could be like Victor Oladipo. I mean, I'm not him, but I could be anybody.
No. Oh.
That's
okay.
So
has anybody done anything like, you know, disease? You know, like not following protocols? Is that?
I woke up and Dwight Howard was cuddling with me. So I mean, I want to report that.
Oh yeah, no, we're gonna put that on the report. Yeah, absolutely.
All right. I gotta
Dwight
go.
Howard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, I gotta go, bro. Sorry, I gotta do the job. I saw this guy. This is a COVID complaint, bro. Listen, a bunch of the players, they were listening to the Bodega Boys podcast.
Is this Brian Caruso?
Oh shit! Fuck, I'm out of here. He found me out. I gotta go.
Wow.
Do the drop.
You're listening to the Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Do the drop.
Yo, welcome to the most illustrious podcast in the world. Bodega Boys are in the virtual building, coming to you live from the Zoom Tomb. Zoom Tomb sounds that sounds mad sucio, like your mom Zoom Tube. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Let's go Zoom
Tube
real quick.
As always, sponsored by Cash App, who also sponsors us, and Bubba Wallace. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
Nothing but the same way our show has nothing but illustrious guests. Cash App has nothing but illustrious people they sponsor. Sponsees?
I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Judy.
That sounds about right.
Sponsor. So I think sponsee.
You know what? You said AA sponsor, and I was like, Judy's in AAA? So that shows you how tired I am today. Yo.
No, same. I didn't even go hold you, bro. I'm like, yo.
It's episode 211.
I was looking at how much caffeine is in this shit. Like,
yo, not enough, bro. We need to get the dry stuff and just mainline it, like, bro. Yo, Mero, your lines are too fat, bro. Come on, bro. This ain't Hotel Chantel, bro.
I'm old school, bro. I'm old school.
Bro, bro.
I don't take it easy.
Yo, this is episode 211 of the Dangerous Podcast that gets you through the dangerous world with information, highbrow facts, and always good times and sucio stuff. And people,
you know what I'm saying? Sucio shit, wash references, like the one I'm about to make. I can't wait till we get to episode 227 so I can make a 227 reference and y'all can be like, what the fuck are they talking about?
Even worse, episode 227, not only we're not doing a 227 reference, we're doing the whole podcast using the voices as characters. I mean, no place, child. Oh.
I'm just looking at the window, admonishing everybody.
Hey, Mary. Everyone listening is like, okay, mental note, we'll skip episode 227. You can't escape it. Because guess what?
Can't escape it.
You got, it's like the beat nuts say, there's no escaping this, all right?
Yo.
That's yeah. Shout out to my real hip hop heads who at one point in their life went to a DJ at a club and was like, "Yo, play more beat nuts."
Yo, play that. Off the Books was fire though. Yo, and who's that beat? That was like a beat.
Pre off the books. I'm talking about that old digital beat nuts.
Shit. Oh.
But no, J-Lo.
Psycho Les.
J-Lo used it.
Oh yeah, of course.
Hey, J-Lo. Shout out to J-Lo with her baby hairs. That was, it wasn't the babiest of hairs. They
were not. They were pretty gross.
She tried.
You know what I'm saying? But hey, you know what?
They were baby hairs in the way that, sometimes you go in college, there'll be an older person in the classroom, and you know what? They're gonna appreciate college more than you. So they've been through things.
Let me tell you, you're absolutely right. You know what I'm saying? There's always the old head that's like, I'm getting my degree. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? And then you're sitting there and they can't relate to anything you're talking about. You're like, like, man, it's Thursday. I got a 3-hour gap, man. I just want to go and get drunk and shit like that. And they're like, I gotta go to work after this, man.
Mm-hmm. I gotta go pick up my son. You like
you're like, what? The kid? Ew.
Ew. How old are you? Ew. He's ancient. He's 31. Yeah. You're like, wow.
Not even. You're like, ew. He's 26. Ew.
Ew. Were you in World War II? Like. Oh.
Being 17 in college and thinking 21-year-olds were like mad old. Like.
Yeah. I remember I was 28 and somebody online said some shit like, yo, once you reach anything once over 27 is ancient, and I felt some kind of way. Like now I'm like, niggas is old.
Like, yo, fuck out of here. I'm proud. I'm proud.
Exactly. There's a difference between being old and not making something of your life versus being old and making something of your life. And not saying you have to have a TV show, but just there's
moderate success.
There's 3 guys a block away from me. They're not homeless. However, they choose to spend their time by the Bronx River Parkway, and they sell water. Why do they sell water? For krills. You know what I'm saying? And you know what? They seem very comfortable. They've taken the chairs from inside of cars and put them directly on the sidewalk. The other day, one was passed out shirtless on the sidewalk, but he was chilling.
They do it.
He was chilling, and he sees me. He sees me walking my dog. He's like, hey, how you doing? I might slide him a couple of bucks. Is he, did he make the most of his life? Who's to say? Maybe.
It's his life.
Exactly.
Like
we're all riding our own
horses.
We're riding our horses. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
We're all riding our own horses. But not right now because it's coronavirus. You shouldn't be riding no horses. You should stay your ass at home.
That word. Unless you're the Chicago guy.
Yo, they showed a video of, that cow guy. Like, they were bugging over there. They showed a video of Steinway over in Astoria. Yo, fam, bro, it looked like Miami. It's just jam packed with people with the hookah hookah gang. Yo, if you smoking a hookah in a pandemic, you a devil. You a straight up devil. I'm sorry. And this is wild sex to say. You a double devil if you a woman. All right? You should know better. Out here smoking hookah on the streets.
You're smarter than us. Y'all are smarter than us. Y'all are protect us.
She's a racial chat smoking hookah in the streets. Okay?
Yo, what? Yo. Yo. And it's what, like, yo, if you're fam, you could go to any bodega and get an AK-47 gold-plated hookah for like $15. You don't gotta share hookah with motherfuckers, dog. You could just sit outside and do your thing, or just sit in the crib, blow the shit out the window. I don't know,
bro. The fact that
is it Molly and hookah? Like, I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy some hookah every once in a while imbibing. You know what I'm saying? That's part like it's like burger and fries.
Yeah,
like a little liquor, little hooks. You know what I'm saying? Okay, but. Fam, I'm not feeding for this shit like that. Like,
damn, rest in peace. That was my favorite rapper, Little Hooks.
Little Hooks?
That nigga had bars, man. That nigga had bars. That nigga he got run over coming out of Mama Sushi. Yo, rest in peace, Little Hooks.
Yo, rest in peace, Little Hooks.
We gotta make the movie. We gonna make the movie.
Most fire album.
Hot Coals by Little Hooks? Yeah. Listen, we're making a movie. PL's playing Little Hooks.
Yo.
Little Hooks. We show him that time he performed at La Marina and they were the girls outside almost ripped down the gate. They was like, go Hooks, go Hooks, go Hooks, go Hooks. When I say gay, you say gay. Gay low. Gay low. Gay.
Him and DaBaby do a song together called I Know Fucking DaBaby.
I love it. Going platinum. 100,000 streams. Oh man.
Oh,
yo, you got Little Hooks. You got Little Hooks' new single, Eating Spaghetti on the Beach. Yo, that shit fire,
flames,
bro.
yo.
That shit flames.
Yo,
I'm just seeing the video.
Fucking the nigga on it.
The video is just P.O. like on a throne at Orchard Beach with girls with the wild fake butts behind him. And it's a real Bronx. It's a real Bronx summer day at the beach, so it's stupid hot, like out of control.
Ain't nobody's trying to go in the water.
Nobody's going in the water. The video is ruined because there's a couple of like white veterans in the background playing some Frank Sinatra, and they was like, we was here first at this beach and in the Bronx, so beat it.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's
tell
right.
him, Pally.
We used to come here in the 40s when we wore swimming pants.
Do you remember that? Yeah.
Water.
I had to
we called them water. We called them water pants back then. They weren't.
Yeah, you tell him, Pally. Tell him, George. Yeah. We used to come here. We used to come here, back in the 50s after we watched the Yankees. After we watched the Yankees play while drinking hot coffee. Yeah, that's how we used to calm ourselves down and shit.
Yeah. We used to take off our wingtips and curl our toes in the sand.
It was so it felt so good. We all had 4 jobs. I used to deliver milk in what was known as Hell's Kitchen. Yeah, I'll tell you when it was really Hell's Kitchen, back when I lived there, okay?
Yeah.
And now look. Now they got all these various types. What I like about like the racist people in the Bronx, the racist white people in the Bronx, when they start talking about who ruined the neighborhood, they don't be like blacks, Latinos stuff. They go to super specific groups, and you just look at them like they're like all these Ecuadorians. You're like, what the? How many Ecuadorians are here? There's like 6 of them, bro.
He's like, I got the census right here, bro.
Yeah, girl, yeah. All right. Did you fill yours out? 2020, motherfucker, beat it. Yo, somebody said she's not even in the Bronx. They said that she got run from the Bronx and she like lives out in Long Island now, but she's still claiming the Bronx.
Yo,
we might have to investigate that.
I hate to see it. There's mad people that do that though. That's corny. Like, fam, if you didn't like, look, if you didn't like, and I don't want to be a hypocrite because I'm out in Jersey, but like,
that's different. That's different.
I had to.
That's different. You're allowed. You went to like if you moved to like, damn, I don't like name someone far out in Jersey like. If you moved like the Jersey Shore or some shit, then I'll be like, yo,
South
this
Jersey,
like, I'll be like, yeah, he changed up. Like, you're right there over the bridge.
Like, yo, you just moved to Pennsylvania, nigga.
There are 2 places is acceptable for New Yorkers to move to and continue to claim New York: Jersey and Florida. But if you move to Florida, you gotta be the wild New York dickhead, and you have to put a big Yankee flag in front of your house, not an American flag.
No matter what.
No matter what. That's the only shirt you wear to the malls. All right. Anytime you in conversation you bring it up, you mention New York for no reason. People are like, yo, Disney World's reopening. Yeah, it never has to reopen New York because they never shut down. It's a real city, not like Orlando.
Never sleeps.
Never sleeps. In New York. Concrete jungle where streams is made of. You know the fact. Let them know, Mero.
Yeah. You know when last call is in New York? Never.
Okay?
That's
you just
right,
keep
pal.
moving, bro. Yo. There's a version of us that somehow, I guess we got like some sort of union job or something, and like we ended up like our families just moved to Florida together, and we're just horrible down there. We are just hard because you want to still do Bronx shit, and like other people around us is not having it. And like people were just like, you live in Florida now, so now we have to overcorrect for living in Florida, so we got to over rep. So we out there, it's like 90 degrees. We on the corner in North Faces and Tim's and shit. Niggas just passing out like, yo, what's using mad stereotypical New York slang. I'm like, yo, what's up, Dunn? Yo, you chilling?
Word is bond.
Word is bond. Yo, I'm Audi 5000, my G.
Yo, money. You start talking like the fucking intro to the Snoop Dogg New York shit.
Yeah.
Like, hey, yo, money. Yo, you got mad skills.
Yo, my guy, I'm going to go purchase a chopped cheese. Would you like to come with, fam? Yo, I'm like,
I'm dead ass.
Let's go. We take one step and just pass out because of all the clothes and shit on.
Got every vent in the fucking North Face open. You still pass out? Like, yeah.
I have on a Carhartt jacket. Like,
they got the Walmart vent, the biggie, the wild, like, yo, shit like a fucking duvet. Like, you just like, yeah.
I got on the 40 below Timbs. Like, I'm like, yo. I was like running to the food court to stand in front of the air conditioning vent, like,
Yo.
That's right, pal.
Oh my God.
That's right. Shout out to everyone that's not from New York. I don't know why. Sure.
I just realized Tory Lanez cannot wear 40 below Timbs.
Yo, Tory Lanez is in a lot of trouble.
Yo, he's in
Okay?
A heap.
Bro, and did you see on Twitter, like everyone, 50 Cent posted 2 memes about it. One where Tory Lanez was the guy that shot Ricky in Boys in the Hood, and it was Megan Thee Stallion's face on Ricky, and like people was like, yo, that's wild fucked up, why he's cracking jokes and shit. I'm not defending 50. All I'm saying is the nigga got shot 9 times. Like,
fam.
Listen, like he said, I got shot 9 times, now I walk with a limp, like, and there's probably some PTSD there.
You know what I'm saying? Also, I feel like 50, like, you know how you people, how it's like the conscious way to go about comedy is like, yo, if you want to make a joke about your own community, you're allowed to do that. I feel like 50 Cent falls firmly in the I got clapped community.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Jokes about getting shot. Like, yo, I got shot 9 times, B. I can talk about getting shot.
He's right, though. He's right.
He is.
Actually, also, another thing you have to keep in mind, 50 Cent suffers from a condition that happens to a lot of men in New York. It's called Guy R. Brewer. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
And,
yeah.
you know how it gets on Guy R. Brewer.
Yo, Freddie Lou, nigga, and I Guy Brew.
Y'all know the vibes. Right? Hey, Victor, can you?
Please confirm.
Please confirm,
Yes.
Victor.
Yes. Yo, that neighborhood is encased in concrete. Just go. Google map it. Yo, look up the Archer Avenue bus depot. The wall behind it is about 20 feet thick, 20 feet like wide. Like you heard that right. Like the thickness of that is about like 20 feet and it's straight concrete. And once you get beyond that barrier, whew.
Listen, I know it because I lived that life for a minute when I was in Rochdale Village, but for some reason Shorty says Rochdale Projects, and it was like, these are not projects, ma. These are very nice houses, but
every building is 3 floors.
No, it was like towers, but it was cool, but it definitely gave me Bronx vibes because there's like mad Chinese food spots and all. Like when you there, you're like home. I can stretch my wings.
When I was on
street, like
Fordham for the first time, that felt exactly like the Ave to me. Down to like the dudes just with like a speaker and they have like 2 microphones plugged in, and I'm just like, that's not how that works. Like one is just as you're just getting an echo now. But whatever, you're just getting feedback. But whatever. Like down to that, I really thought that was only Jamaica Queens. I was just like, yo, where do I pay no taxes
a place
for?
like that, bro.
Yeah, for the
everywhere like
joints.
We got the joints in the Bronx. We got joints in Brooklyn. You got joints in like
the Kingdom Hall. I'm like, how are they exactly the same? I don't think they're speaking to each other.
Oh no, they the Jehovah's Witnesses, all the Kingdom Halls are designed by architects, by the Jehovah's Witness architects. There is no third persons build it.
No, but like the makeup of the neighborhoods, what I mean. It's like like you have the Kingdom Hall.
I was about to drop knowledge, nigga.
Nah, go ahead, rock.
Nah, I'm done. I'm done. I got some Hotep stuff to spit after this.
Oh no.
I just remember going all the time to the Kingdom Hall in Throgs. They used to be right next to Bosco's. And my grandmother, shout out to Bosco's. My grandmother would take me there and get a meatball sub after every.
Hey, Bosco's with the meatball subs.
You know what I'm saying? After every mass, I don't even call. They didn't call it mass.
They call them meetings.
The meetings. And she always used to try to get me to read, and I'm like, nah, I don't want to read, man. Chill. They're giving me the microphone. You making it hot.
That's a big honor.
I used to be mad, like, no, chill. You chill. You making it hot, yo. Yeah, but that's how I learned how to read in Spanish. Be like trial by fire, like
Oh, under pressure.
Under pressure. Like,
Dum, 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 dum.
Jesús Cristo es rey. Todos vivimos en el paraíso después de fallecer. I'm like, yo. I was like, yo, I got this shit down.
Reading
Still can't
is
spell the
fundamental. I gotta learn Spanish. I got to. I've lived in New York too long to not know Spanish. I realized. No, that.
you know it. You know it. You just don't know that you know.
No, I need to. I don't want to be doing like a Caucasian person at the bodega Spanish. Okay, I don't want to.
No.
I need to. I need to be able to.
You grew up in the hood, so
yeah,
it's like physically impossible. When you grow up in the hood,
no, I want to be able.
Spanish.
No, I want to be able to like curse niggas out in Spanish. You know what I'm saying? Cause I was in my supermarket the other day and I was looking for what was it? Hold on. Let me make sure I don't mess this up. Is it Rotel? Yeah, I was looking for a can of Rotel. Okay, that little tomatoes or whatever shit. It's a canned tomatoes. Very common. Super. You know,
regular
you
shit.
should know. Yeah. So I go to
Basic
the employee. Shit. I go to the guy and I was like, "Yo, you got Rotel?" And he was like, yeah, aisle 5. And then he said something in Spanish to the other guy, and he laughed. And I went to aisle 5, and there was no Rotel. And I was like, yo. I was like, what happened here, bro? I was like, I'm gonna come back here with Mero. All right, y'all not bullying me. Fuck that.
Yo,
I'll be like, say what you said to him. Say it to Mero, and he's gonna say something nice. And you're gonna be like, is that what he said? And I'll be like, I don't know. I don't remember what he said, dog. I think he said como te llamos to him. Yeah, that's what I heard. Yeah.
I'll be like, I don't think that's what you said, homie.
He said
clean.
And then he said muy bien y tú. And then the other guy said muy bien gracias. And they were like, why does this conversation sound like a 4th grader's Spanish class? And it's like, mi llamo Daniel. Like,
that reminds me of fucking pre-Rona.
Yo, shout out to public school. Shout out to New York City Public School, who had the brilliant idea that said we're going to teach people Spanish in public schools, but they're going to start at the same point every year. So you learn the same amount of Spanish in 2nd grade, and 3rd grade, and 4th grade, and that's why the only year I can say is 1994. Because that was something. That's like the only number I remember.
That was like your strong Spanish year. Yo, it's wild because like they teach you like essentially like for New York, useless Spanish. Like there was mad time on vosotros and vos, and I'm like, yo, fam, we don't use that shit.
And then the teachers are like, yeah, you don't have to learn vosotros. And I was like, why? Do they have special powers? Like, why can't I use them? They're like, no, there's no situation to use. I'm like, what? I was like, wait, we gotta use different words for a man, a woman, or a group. That don't sound like America. God damn it. I'm in class, I put on my little MAGA hat. I'm like, I ain't learning no Spanish. Right?
I ain't learning no goddamn.
Put me back in Latin so I can learn about white supremacy. Okay, I'm not here to learn about no goddamn Mexico. They're like, what?
Goddamn Mexicans.
Okay.
They're like, I know goddamn quesadillas.
They don't want to hear about this. Remember the Alamo, goddamn it. They're like, sir, you are in Co-op City. All right, you need to calm down.
Like, sir, stop.
All right, I'm gonna go help liberate Bay Plaza. God damn it. They're like, what?
Yo, good luck. You might get that run down by 30 Jamaicans.
Yeah. Here's a hot tip: don't go to Bay Plaza with a MAGA hat. That's all I'm saying.
No. Yeah. Life hack.
Life hack that could get your life hacked. Okay, like by a machete. Yes.
Yo, son.
Yo, wearing a MAGA hat right. Go ahead.
Yeah, them shits is played out. You can't go to Bay Plaza and slender any West Indian island.
No, none of that, star.
No.
Damn.
Like niggas from like Voltron to just beat the shit out of you.
Yeah, you think it's funny, but every time I get a notification on my phone, they're like Jamaican need a Bay Plaza. I'm like, shit again.
Oh shit,
God damn. Sometimes it's about beating people up, but most times it's about like people trying to parking, and they're like, I was here first. I'm like, you can't use the Jamaican app for this, okay? It's for conflict. And they're like, this is my conflict. Like,
this is my conflict right now.
Uncle Barrington, I told you. This is not what I gave you the app for, okay?
No.
It's for when...
No. You say, Carl, and me have a conflict? Me have a conflict.
You used the app last week because you said the goat meat was too bony, okay? This is the 4th time you've done that. You stop.
Sure. It's not a conflict for you? Boney goats? It's a serious conflict for me.
Also, reminder: our new ska band, Boney Goat, will be performing live at Zooms. We just gotta figure out how we gotta have like tuba players in different
people.
Zooms and shit. Boney Goat. Now performing at Coachella, Boney Goat.
Yo! First tempo, they gotta have trombone players to respond. They're in the band.
Exactly.
12-piece band, 10 trombones.
Victor, you play a trombone? We gotta get Victor on the tuba. Like, brom, 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 brom. Yeah.
Nah, you gotta get Victor up there like, yo, stop. Put some water in it.
You know what? No, Victor, in Boney Goat, Victor is going to be the guy. For some reason, he always has like a megaphone, and then like on the breakdown of the song, he yells instructions or some shit. He's like, you gotta get drunk or some shit like that. Like you're that guy in Chumbawamba. There you go.
From okay. What is like in a ska band? Like
what's in a ska band?
Yo, ska's Jamaican, right?
Ska's Jamaican, yeah.
I'm mad late. Damn.
And then it got appropriated by white people and destroyed. Like, because I was like, yo, I'm anti-ska. People were like, yo, you're not really anti-ska. You're anti-white people ska. I was like, oh, that's true.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, no, you're right. I'm not about to squirrel nut zippers at all. Like, that's not my vibe.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Listen, it was a precursor to reggae, right? But listen, that's what Boney Goats. That's what we stand for. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Bringing it back to the essence.
We bringing the back to ska. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
That's the name of our album's called Ska First single got Bobby Shmurda on it. Yeah.
Yo, feed the homie.
Since it's a ska band, what's the name of our first track? It has to have like a ska kind of title. So it's like
shit. Trumpet.
Yeah, we need that.
Just call it trumpet.
But which ska? Like Mighty Mighty Boss Tone ska? Is that what we're doing?
Oh,
gee, maybe half. Like, you know how Nelly did Sweatsuit?
Exactly.
You can do like real ska, fake ska.
Nah, we're just doing 40 excessive tracks for no reason. You're gonna be like, you should have left some of these on the studio floor. I'm like, no, they're all good, bro.
Nah.
Classics. In an interview, they're gonna be like, so why did y'all release so much music? I'll be like, listen, anytime I'm in the studio, I feel like Pac. Pac ain't never delete a song. Why should I?
You know what I'm saying? Why should I? You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna be the first ska. We're gonna be the first ska band to have a song called Hennessy and Enemies. Yeah.
Yo, Tupac got that's the shit too. Like people are like, yo, Tupac got mad unreleased songs. Yeah, they're unreleased for a reason, my guy. Like they're not good. Like I'm sorry to all the Pac stands, B. Like, but yo,
I
New
wonder.
Mix Classics Part 4 is not good.
I wonder if they're like, if he wanted those songs to get out, or they just leak after his death. Because if that's the case, that's we're kind of slandering a dead man. But that's what we do here. You know, listen, life,
Listen,
dead. Anyone gets slandered. Okay.
Yo, listen, that's what we do here. We just comment on comments.
There you go. There we go. We comment commentators. We commentator.
Was that kind of ska?
You commentate.
Is that ska? No, but it will be when we add like a trumpet and some drums.
Oh yeah.
And we're gonna have little kids dancing in the video. So everyone's gonna be like, oh wow, it's little kids dancing. It's gonna be great.
Yo, it's mad wholesome.
Yeah, like oh wow.
Wow, I love it.
But the problem is the little kids are gonna be dancing, but they're gonna be in like a super violent neighborhood. But they're gonna be dancing, and because they're having so much fun dancing, they don't realize they're in a super violent neighborhood. And everyone's gonna jump on the video's dick, like it was a Donald Glover video.
Yeah.
And, and white people are gonna retweet it on the timeline, like this is important, like kind of those kind of quotes.
You need
to see this.
Guys.
You need to see this. That's right. We're the jaded boys. We've been in our houses and we've been on social media too much, and now we are depressed. It's true. It's true. Listen, nigga, we've been like this whole coronavirus thing. It's like if you still wear a mask and you're still like taking precautions, it feels like the world is gaslighting you. Cause if you're following the instructions properly, you are the Jehovah's Witness kid at school when there's a birthday party. Everyone's having fun, and you can't join in. Yeah. Wow.
I'm like trying to like skirt, like you know what I mean? Like trying to find cutty spots with like nobody there, and like just trying to like slightly normalize. Yeah, like
and it's like impossible, bro. And like even today, because it's Friday, and I was like, oh, remember back before coronavirus? It's like Friday, done with work for the week. What am I getting into this weekend? What's popping? What spot am I gonna go to? Maybe I'll go see a movie. Maybe I'll go to my favorite bar. Now it's like I can't go to my favorite bar. My favorite bar is closed and never gonna reopen. One of my favorite restaurants is closed, never gonna reopen. Knicks is done. No baseball. There's nothing. Oof. There's nothing. There is fucking nothing.
Oh,
it
God.
is. It's not. And I mean,
we're gonna get some half-ass basketball, like.
Yeah, and then it's like. And then, I don't want to complain because we have it good. We still got jobs, we got houses and shit. People was out there hurting and shit. Like, people 5 months behind on their rent, don't know what's going to happen the next day, all types of shit like that. Like,
yeah.
Nigga.
I'll say this much, though.
I like wildest shit, though?
I feel like, bad. Go ahead.
No. Like, my shit is just like, why can't you just, like, the same way you fucking... Man, I don't know, man. Like, I'm just like, it just all seems so simple, and like,
you know what?
I guess it's not, but
no, it's exactly exactly what you just said. It's like the same way you just said that, and then weren't able to complete it. That's everyone's mind right now because it's just like, it's like we elected people to take care of this, or there should have been systems in place, and it's just like this shit just can't. Listen, I'm gonna have to do the problematic light. Yo, shout out to Corona. You exposed a lot of shit.
Yo,
okay?
It's true.
Fam, exposed like mad arrogance and shit. Like that. Like people being like, "Yo, America's great." Like, yo,
fuck yeah.
Like Team America, fuck yeah,
that shit.
To say the motherfucking day, yeah. Like, nigga, that shit is. Cap.
Like even
it's just
big straight cap. That shit is fitted cap. That shit is snapback cap. That shit is brimless Yankee fitted cap. Yo, it's funny because like now on Twitter you'll see some like every now and then like somebody like you'll complain about something and people be like greatest country in America, greatest country in the world, and you're like whoa, no we are not. You need to come, boy.
It depends on what the fuck you talking about. Like, yeah, greatest country in the world if you're like fucking mediocre white guy who has a famous dad or some shit.
Listen, right now, America is 1987 Toyota Camry with I want to say 966,000 miles on it, and it hasn't been to the shop in 6 months.
Because you're like, yo, you know what? I trust it.
None of the lights on the dashboard came on, but you don't realize that the dashboard lights burned out 10 years ago.
Boom, you lost the fuse 10 years ago. You blew a fuse. Right. Now your interior lights don't work. You wonder why? I don't know. Okay. Let's just keep rolling.
Now, you can't even put the car in Carfax because they're like, whoa, Carfax didn't exist when this car was made. Sorry.
There's no Carfax report. Sorry, I refuse to show you my faxes.
There's no Blue Book value. You turn to the Blue Book page, it's like, I don't know. Take a guess. I don't know. Fuck it. It's like, what? 7? I don't know.
OBO, fam.
Shit. I don't know. That's on you, player.
Or best offer.
You can't even take it to like a real mechanic. You got to find either a Jamaican or a Dominican and let them work on it right in your driveway. And they just leave mad parts underneath it overnight and shit. You like, yo, you're not going to finish?
Yo.
What the? I'll be back.
Papi, come back tomorrow. It's okay. Nobody's stealing here. This is nice. It's nice neighborhood. I put a towel on top of the parts and nobody take it. It's good.
They work on your car in the middle of the day and just leave the hood up for like 2 hours while they go to the store. You're like, what are you doing? What the what's going on? Where'd you go? I had to go to AutoZone. You're like, nigga.
Fam, you left my car running. With the hood up. What are you doing?
I remember I had a car and the battery died and I was like trying to fix I was going to replace the battery because I know how to do that because, I've had every fucking job in the world. I worked at a car mechanic once. And so I'm like, boom, again, another Friday story. I'm like, things to do for the weekend, Saturday morning, going to AutoZone, getting a new battery, going to bring it back, boom, boom, boom. Friday night, I hear a knock on the door. Who is it? My father, returning from Florida. I was like, I'm fucked. Because I know there's no way I could work on that car without him getting involved.
Oh, yeah, no.
You know that man? That man fought with me about the battery I bought for the car.
Yo.
The battery I bought with my own money. He was like, you need to take this back. I was like, why? This is the battery I want. He was like,
I want this one.
He was like, no. Go to the AutoZone on Gun Hill Road and ask for Glenn. He will get you the good. I was like, see, Why Jamaican parents can't just give you straight up instructions? It's always a Legend of Zelda mission. It's always like, yo, go to this go over here and get the hammer, and then crack this stone using the boomerang. And I'm like, come on, man.
I don't know. Like, I don't know if our dads are like fraternal twins or some shit like that, because yo, my pops really made me fucking drive a 94 Jeep Cherokee on its last legs to fucking Yonkers to scam a fucking battery. Like, yo, because Sears does that thing where they like, if your battery's dead, we'll replace it. Like, whatever the fuck. If it's Die Hard or whatever the fuck. So this motherfucker took a dead battery from out the garage that was not even in a vehicle, like rusted out to pieces, and then went to the shit and be like, hey, my battery dead. Can you replace? He say you have to replace it. So please hurry up.
Oh my God.
And would not leave until we got a battery. The manager came, everything. He's like,
that's how they do it. Listen.
You have to replace it. I pay money for the battery. It's no good. You gotta give me new battery, a bateria now. That's it, pop. Or I'm not leaving.
Oh my! Listen, that's how. Look, all I can say is
you're not back home, pop. You can't haggle. It's Sears.
Us talking about our pops.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
It's true. It's like the time, it was like a Saturday, and my father was like, hey, what are you doing today? And I was like, oh, I'm trying to chill. He was like, you're coming. He was like, you're coming with me. And I was like, oh, here we go. Because anytime my father took me on Saturday, I knew I was gone for hours. For hours.
The whole day. The sun is down.
I'm like, I remember one time he kidnapped me and my homeboy because we were just outside and it was snowing. I was like, oh, snow, this is fun. He was like, oh yeah, you guys like snow? He was like, oh, you guys want McDonald's? I was like, hell yeah, I want McDonald's.
I want McDonald's.
And
grab 2 shovels.
And he was like, he goes to my friend, he was like, you want McDonald's too? Fam, he took us to 4 properties to shovel. The kid with me was like, yo, what the? I'm not. He was like, my parents don't even know where I'm at. I was like,
child labor was lost.
I was.
Little nigga arm fell off and shit. Like,
and he's like, listen. You sprinkle the salt like this, not like this. I'm like, sir, this is indentured servitude. Like, I'm talking to my friend. I'm like, yo, when he comes back, hit him with the shovel. We getting out of here. Like,
we gotta go.
I don't know how to drive. I don't know how to drive, but we driving to freedom. This ain't right. I was like, yo,
we about to Latarian Milton this shit, bro. Fuck that.
To be fair, he did purchase us McDonald's afterwards. So
okay,
it worked out. It worked out. You know
what I'm saying?
I easily could have spent the weekend, you know, just enjoying snow like a normal child. But no,
maybe have a snowball fight.
You know, do something. Maybe sled. Maybe slide. Make some angels. No. Just here. Just over here and redoing the Industrial Revolution. Just after shoveling, I'm 7. I'm smoking a Newport. I'm like, yeah, bro. Doctor says it's iron lung, bro. I don't know, bro. But you know,
bro. That sure reminds me of a tweet I saw where it was like, what modern day thing would kill a Victorian era child?
Mm-hmm.
And I was just like, wait a minute, weren't those motherfuckers like living like plowing fields and shit and eating their own shit?
Yeah, like kids were soft. Like, yo, those kids was like working in mines. Like, I mean,
at like 8 years old.
Yes. And I know somebody right now is actually there's kids working in mines right now, Desus and Mero. How can you be so tone deaf? And it's like, shut up, it's Friday.
Yeah, grow up.
Right, exactly. It's Friday. We've been working for 9 hours. Leave us the fuck alone.
Right,
we did 2 shows. I spent 2 hours setting up audio equipment. Leave me alone. Leave Desus and Mero alone.
For real. Where's Chris Crocker when you need him, bro?
Exactly.
Yo, come to our aid, bro.
Also, shout out to a new website I just found, which I enjoy, a Twitter account that Out of Context Desus and Mero. Very fun.
They got some or them.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying?
See, look, niggas is learning.
You know what I'm saying?
That's also the name of me and Mero's new charter school. Niggas is learning. We already got a PPE.
Niggas is learning.
We got a PPE loan.
The NIL Academy. We got a PPE loan. PPP loan. You know what I'm saying? And we just classes.
I'm sorry.
Yakuza 101.
I'm sorry to announce that sadly, one of the teachers at the Niggas is Learning Academy will no longer be allowed to teach this year. N. Cannon, he will not be with us.
Oh, yes.
The reminder of it.
He was teaching theology. Yo, Nick, chill.
Yo, that's listen. It's that. Like, we always talk about that on here. That barbershop shit.
Yo,
that barbershop shit, nigga.
Yo, chill. You mad rich, man. People listen to you. Like, chill. I want to see you win. Chill.
Exactly.
Stop.
If you want to see new New York weirdo stuff, if you go in front of Trump Tower, there's always like people. They're not protesting. They're just weirdos, and some of them are like pro-Trump, some of them are anti-Trump, but they're just weird because there was one guy today. He's like gays for Trump, and some lady. He was like, "You don't even have a husband. I have a husband. I have a." So he just kept yelling at her, and like it was very weird. And it's like, if you're supporting Trump, why? Like he won. Like, are you out there? Is it a victory lap? Like, what are you protesting?
Fam, the motherfucker's been taking victory laps for 4 years, dog. Like,
if you're a Trump supporter and you're in front of Trump Tower and you're protesting other people protesting Trump, that's like being, I don't know, like being a fam. You know what? I'm gonna be honest right here. Coronavirus has struck my mind so badly. I forgot who. Oh, the Raptors. I for that second I could not remember an NBA team because I'm not gonna use the name of a team that's a slur and it starts with N and it starts with K and ends in Bacher. Yeah. Yeah. They gotta change that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's like, I don't even know where I was going. It's basically like a Raptors fan protesting in front of Madison Square Garden. So,
yeah.
You know,
like, why would you do that?
Yeah, why would you do that? He's like, Dolan sucks. I was like, you had Kawhi. Like, why? Leave us alone.
Fam, leave us alone, bro. Also, like, Obama got elected. Y'all didn't see us jumping up and down for 4 years straight. Like, doing victory laps like, aha, you dumb crackers, aha. Like,
and even that, like,
Barack 2020, motherfucker. Like, we didn't do that. We didn't do none of that.
We missed the chance, though. We missed the chance.
Yo, we fucked up.
We fucked up. Barack 2020, motherfucker. Yeah.
You know
that would have been a way different, and that would have been a way different verse on Jeezy's "My President Is Black." You know what I'm saying? What rapper is coming in the verse like Barack 2020, motherfucker? No, so a rapper would end their verse with that, but what rapper would it be? Let me see.
Barack 2020, motherfucker. That sounds like YG might say that. Like,
yeah.
Like,
I see
almost
that.
even out of context. Like, the song is about like robbing houses, and at the end he's just like, "Yo, Barack 2020, motherfucker." Like, what? Okay.
Like, what? Where'd that come from? Shit. I miss that in hip hop.
No Flocka remix?
I miss in hip hop when it used to be like an R&B song, and then the rapper would just rap about some shit that had nothing to do with the song.
Nothing to do with it.
Like Rick Ross would just come, like, they'd be like, "I love my baby loves me. I hope we stay together in holy matrimony." And Rick Ross comes through like, "I was moving them bricks, credit card was scamming." They're like, "What the I was firing them guns, and them bitches was jamming." You're like, "What the nigga?
What? Sir?"
I had the AR, the SK, and the 49. The tech blew out your Brian from the right side. Yo, I kill niggas dead. Yo, I shoot him in the leg, shoot him in the head. You're like, what the
I love you, baby. You're my soul, my everything. You're like, yo, this is wild and congruent. It was worse in the 90s, dog. I'm trying to remember the fucking, if it was SWV and Wu-Tang. Kaboom! Guess who stepped in the room?
Well,
you know what? Coming from the shower now.
That worked because it was like it went with the vibe. It went with the vibe. Also, because shout out to SWV. Those were hood chicks. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Those were all hood chicks. You know the vibe. You know fucking vibe. SWV were the girls. They weren't your sisters, but they were the girls on your block, and you seen them beat up other girls, so you have respect for them. Like, yo,
I don't fuck with them.
Listen. And then they play with you, but they play with you like, yo, I'll fuck you up.
I'll fuck you up.
Shout out to my fake cousin. I'm not gonna say her name, because this is why I still don't understand how this happened. We were standing on the corner, and she was with her boyfriend, and this girl walked by, and I guess the girl looked at the boyfriend a little too long, and she was like, "What the fuck are you looking at, bitch?" And the girl was like, "Who the fuck are you talking to?" And she was like, "I'm talking to you, stupid bitch." And then the girl got in her face. And Shorty pulled out her box cutter and cut her face open, and her face was leaking, and we were all like, "Holy shit!" And we all dispersed because that's what happened. And
that's what happens.
I'm not on Facebook anymore. I used to see her on Facebook, and she's like, "Look at my great grandkids." I'm like, "Yo, you slashed somebody's face."
Yo,
and
Bronx girls are different.
I'm like, yo, shout out to you, ma. Like.
I want to give out. Yeah, you know what? Shout out to all the women out there. You know what I'm saying? That have grown. You know what I'm saying? I've watched you grow. You know what I'm saying? On social media. Shout out to Tanisha. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. You know what I mean? You punched that teacher in the face and threw him down the stairs, but now you're doing good. You know what I'm saying? Healthcare worker frontline. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Vanessa. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tamika, shit. First and foremost. Shout out to, I'm going to blow up her whole name. Shout out to Tamika Ennis. I love you. You know what I'm saying? I see you punch mad girls in the face, but now you're doing real good and helping the community. So shout out to you. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, for real.
The rose that grew from the concrete.
Listen, like Mero said, I want to shout out, all the chicks I know. Let me see. There was Brenda, Letitia, Linda, Felicia,
Monisha,
Dawn, LaShawn, Inez, Alicia, Teresa, Monica, Sharon, Nikki, Lisa, Veronica, Karen, Vicky, Cookie. Well, I met her in an ice cream parlor. Tanya, Diane, Lori, and Carla. Marina, Selena, Katrina, Sabrina, about 3 Kims, Latoya, and Tina. If you listen to hip hop, real hip hop, you're like, why is Jesus reading from the Old Testament? Yeah, that's right, bro. That's right. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yo. I got the little, I'm just reading through that shit. Like, yeah, my bar mitzvah. Yeah, reading DMX. Yo.
The book of DMX.
I'm at one of Mero's kids' bar mitzvahs, and Mero's like, my son will read from the Holy Scripture, one more road to cross. And then there was X. Your kid's up there like, I'm up at 6 a.m. to check this nigga. He worked the night shift, and I got to get them figures. I'm like, wow, he's spitting.
Wow, he's spitting.
Wow. Do Smooth the Hustler next. Like, sir,
he's like,
this is a bar.
I got you.
Sir, this is a hip hop bar mitzvah. We're not taking requests. I'm like,
no, I will. That's Uncle Jesus.
There we go.
Real hip hop.
The whole congregation is like, one more road to cross, one more risk to take. Gotta live my life like there's one more move to make. Shout out to, listen. This should be killing me though, because it's like, it's actually funny. Like the fucking, the video edits of the Hasidic dudes doing like the traditional dances, but done to like rap music and like rap and shit. Like, that shit is hilarious.
Yo,
because you can always mix those and the ones that like the Arabian guys dancing. You can always mix those over any song. And then
the goth techno kids, or Wale dancing.
Which makes me wonder if we do that to video clips from other countries. Surely in other countries they're doing that to video clips of us.
Oh hell yeah!
There has to be a culture.
The swaggerlessness of the Bobby Flavine, the infamous Bobby Flavine. That's definitely doing numbers somewhere overseas.
But you know what? And here's something dark. There's probably racists in other countries that watch our show and hate us.
Yo, wow. I never even thought of that. But you know what? Eat a dick.
Wait, why would they watch our show if they hate us? Oh, so they can see what we say?
Probably, yeah. The same way, like, like I'll watch Fox News for like 3 minutes and be like, ew.
The other day, Fox News had on, because none of the other networks was putting on one of the Trump press conferences, and I was watching it on Fox News. Yo, they be running some wild ads.
Yo,
they run some. They're like, hey,
they're running out.
They're like, hey, not to scare you. If you act now, you could get 8 months of food for when the world ends, because Antifa's gonna kill everybody. You're like, what the? Whoa, what the fuck?
Yo, whoa. And how much money do y'all got?
And they're like, hey, they're like, Sally here bought 8 months of food. Now her family's protected for 60 years in their safe bunker. And it's like she holds up a packet of dry mac and cheese. And they're like, just add water. I'm like, I don't want to live in a world where I'm eating mac and cheese made with water. What the fuck is wrong with y'all?
Fam. Like we stopped the powdered mac and cheese a long time ago.
A lot of these people were like, they're like, yo, I got enough supplies that if something happens, I'll be good and survive it. No, fam. Because you'll be all right on your farm, but like other shit is going to go awry if if the world goes to hell. The thing about even because people are like, yo, I live on a farm, I live isolated, blah blah blah. I got my own power, I got my own food and stuff. But if the world goes to hell, say something happens at a nuclear power plant around you, that fallout is going to reach you, my friend. If sewage lines are not maintained and that gets into the water table, that can get into your well water, right?
So
because of fracking and stuff like that, like, dude, you can't listen. Listen,
don't think because you got a fucking vegetable garden, you good. Like, there's a lot of motherfuckers out there really gas. Also, you out here like, yo, I got a farm, I'm self-sustained. You think the 8,000 starving motherfuckers like in your vicinity ain't gonna be like, yo, that motherfucker got a power, he got a planta, and he got fucking a garden and shit? Mm-hmm. We going over there tonight.
And that's what they waiting for. They got all the guns and stuff, and they're like, yo, if anyone comes on my ranch, but they live in places people don't want. Like, my nigga, if we run out of food, I'm not going to Montana to go take over someone's ranch. Like, that's I'm good. I'm good. You know what? Matter of fact,
I'll eat a rat's head first.
Actually, you know what? I'm changing my mind. If the world goes to hell, Bodega Hive, me and Mero, we are going to lead y'all on a group. We are taking over a ranch in Montana. Everyone in Montana be afraid.
Oregon Trail status.
Okay, let's go. It's gonna be mad lit. All right. Shout out to the Bodega Hive Antifa division. Yeah. You know, while we joke, that would be a fire shirt.
Yo.
Fam.
And you know what's so wild? Like, Michael Che had a joke where he was just like, yo, people are saying that Black Lives Matter is a radical statement. Like, Black Lives Matter is a radical statement.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, so being anti-fascist is radical? Like,
right?
That's what Antifa stands for, anti-fascism. So, like, you think that's radical, my guy? Like,
well, I love Antifa. And people talk about Antifa like it's a gang. Like,
yeah,
but not only
Bloods and shit.
Not only as a gang, it's a highly technically organized gang where like there's like membership cards and an HR department, and you get like
run by George Soros.
Yeah, there's a Slack channel. There's like a break room and shit. Like,
like, dog, no, that's not how gangs work. There's no Slack
I'm not
channel.
gonna lie.
Like, yo, we gonna go clap this nigga.
Before Corona ended, I did use my Antifa membership card to get a discount in JCPenney. So there might be something to be said there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Got myself a nice sweater, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I did the same exact thing, bro. I got a nice set of glasses. I broke one. And you know when you like have a set of 6 and you break a glass, you're like, you know. So I wanted to get a new set. So I went and I used my Antifa discount card, and it got me 50% off a great set of glasses. And
we sound like those Discovery card commercials in the 90s. Like, get you a card that gives you cash back. Get you a card that'll overthrow America. You're like, all right, I want it. Let's make it.
2% cash back on all anti-fascist products.
They're like, did you use Antifa card? You get a discount on a brick, spray paint, tear gas, whatever you want. You're like,
a black ski mask?
There you go.
You got it. Is it just swipe it? And he's like, oh, wow. He's like, how do we say that? It's like a whole family with black masks on? Like, we save so much on our masks.
Yeah. They're like, we save so much.
Card?
The little girl's like, Daddy, can we go overthrow the government? Let's go.
Let's go.
You know, but it's not even on a serious tip, but damn. Yo, 2020 is canceled for the rest of the year, basically.
Yeah,
fuck
Corona. 2020. Get
like,
it out of here.
It doesn't, like, right now, it's like, oh, the summer sucks. No, people are really going to feel it for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Mm-hmm. Because by then, the amount of people that have died, well, you know what? I was about to say the amount of people that died would make people take it seriously, but apparently some people don't take coronavirus seriously until either they get it or someone they know gets it.
Exactly.
But I wonder if by November, if enough people had lost other people, that people will take it seriously, or will people still be in the street smoking hookah in November? Probably.
Listen, probably. And call back American arrogance. It's like, yo, nah, we're good. And the whole CDC shit, like, which, you know, I only read the headline. I'm guilty of a headline reading.
That's cool.
It's like, it sounds like they don't give a fuck. Like, Trump, like, the administration is just like, yo, chill, just shh. Like, yo, just keep that shit on the low till I get out of here. You know what I'm saying? And then everything's good. Like, I'm good. I don't even honestly, I don't even think Trump wants to be reelected. I think his ego wants to get reelected.
Yeah,
but like himself, he's like, I don't want to do this shit no more. This shit. He's like, man, this shit is whack. Like, I ain't making no money doing this shit. Like, man, fuck this shit. Let me go bankrupt some more of this shit.
Also, I'm going to need someone to edit out what Mero just said, because he dropped the name of the new bonus track being dropped by the Boney Goes. I want to be an American, arrogant. I want to be... the Boney Goat single cover for American Arrogance is that couple that came out their house with the guns. It's like that. but they have like cause figures over their face, so it's like mad cool. We're gonna Oh.
He's like class figures. Fucking Leo DiCaprio buys a painting for like $25 million.
Bro, when I was in Amsterdam, shout out to Tommy and PFT, we went to the museum. They had a cause exhibit. Oh, they had an exhibit like street art. They had like Banksy shit, all the shit. People was like, that stuff is fake. And I was like, I'm in Amsterdam. I'm off acid. I'm off mushrooms right now. I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
and
it's all real.
So I went to the cause exhibit, and at the end, in the gift shop, they had a cause figurine. And I know those resell. Like, those got resale value. So I'm like, yo, a cause resale thing from the museum in Amsterdam. I was like, fam, this got to retail for like $9,000. Let's fucking go, bro. And, but because I am an American, my phone was not working on their network. So I was humbled and I could only go on Wi-Fi. But I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna use the service to find out what the resale on this, because I'm gonna buy it. And I turned on the service, and resale on it was $100. And I think turning on the service cost me $200. So I learned a lesson. You know. You think you're turning your phone on? You think you're turning your phone on just to like check your email, and meanwhile it's like, let me upload every photo in your gallery to the cloud, and let me download music, and you're like, whoa, why are you doing this?
Yeah. Your shit is set to automatically update everything, and you put use data.
They're like, hey, you know what? You haven't downloaded a complete series from Netflix in a while. I'll do that right now. You're like, no.
You can take like 16 WhatsApp calls on data. Like, no. Like, yo.
When I got to Antigua,
no.
When I got to Antigua, I forgot that because I'm like, oh, Antigua, Caribbean. I could use my phone. I landed, and AT&T. As soon as you land, AT&T is like, yo, you are no longer using AT&T. Do you want to continue using their rate? And I was like, they was like, answer yes or no. And I was like, yes. Fam, I would have saved maybe for 2 minutes. And the second email came, and it was like, you just used 200 megs. And I was like, what? I was like, how? I didn't touch my phone. And they was like, do you want to continue? And I was like, let me turn this shit off. And that's when Digital Desus was born. And I was like, all right. Every 2 hours, I was like, what's the Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi?
They hit me with that shit. And Deanna was just like, yo, would you like to buy a $50 passport for like 3 days? And I'm like,
that fucking passport. Ooh.
I'm like, yo, this shit lasted 24 hours, my G. Like, you promised me mad gigs of data, and now like I watch one Pino fucking shit on 240p,
bro,
and I'm over my limit.
That passport
the clip was 3
shit.
minutes.
When I went to England last year for the Yankees Red Sox game, I was like, I'm gonna be smart. I'm gonna order the passport in advance. Fam, I burned through the passport in like a couple of hours, and then it was like you use up all your messaging ability. But from now on, what we'll do, we'll direct you to the nearest cafe that has Wi-Fi. I was like, I could do that, bro. Are y'all serious?
Like, yo, I can also just like look around, use my eyeballs, but
also I'm in England. Like, I don't need a translation app to ask for Wi-Fi. Like, it's pretty simple. Okay.
Yeah. Yo, y'all got Wi-Fi?
No, that's not how you ask for Wi-Fi in England.
Oh, does the have ye old Wi-Fi?
Mero, I've showed you 1,000,000 times. It's Wiz Me Peas, bruv. That's how you ask for Wi-Fi in England.
Bruv.
Wiz Me Peas, bruv.
How strong is the signal, bruv?
Peas? How strong is the peas? Wiz Me Peas, mate.
Bruv, I got 3 P's of service, mate.
Oh. We're gonna reshoot Top Boy. We're gonna remake Top Boy, but we're gonna do it through Zoom, so it's gonna be terrible. So I'm just gonna end this idea altogether. Yeah. Listen, people are just like, wow, we're making amazing films and TV through Zoom, and I'm like, this is bad. Like, people can tell. Like, when people make stuff through Zoom now, you can tell because a lot of the cutaways are not like, they think you don't realize the cutaway. You realize these people are not in the same room. I think tonight the 30 Rock episode they recorded a whole brand new episode through remote distancing and stuff, and people shot stuff in their own apartment. The problem is everyone said it's just a long ad for that new NBC service Peacock, which
which is supposedly free. It's like another Hulu. It's wild, but it's supposed to be free. I don't know.
So wait, so Hulu has NBC shows, right?
Yeah. So I don't know why you. Yeah.
Or is it one of those weird things where it's like they only
have
special shows on
series.
that? So
It's like Disney Plus. It's like, yo, fuck you. Oh, y'all want to quit cable and shit? Take all these apps.
Exactly. There was like, cause people was like, the cable bill's too much, and they're like, nah, you don't gotta pay for that now. You can just pay for this app, $5, and then this app is $7, and then this app, if you want to see this, is $8, and well, this is $15, and but you want to
watch sports, right? Too. So
yeah.
Oh, you like boxing? Oh, we have this DAZN.
I think one of the most insulting ones I've seen was when, was it Disney? Oh, it was ESPN Plus, and they were like, you had to subscribe to ESPN Plus, and then once you already subscribed to it, you had to pay to watch a fight on it. I was like, what the bro? Are y'all serious?
Man, I'm throwing my shoe at the TV.
You know what happens when that happens? You turn to Mr. Robot. You get on Twitter like UFC fight stream. Just search. Yeah. Clicking that shit like yo. And next thing you know, you're watching a UFC fight, and the announcers are saying it in Spanish, which you don't know. You don't care because it works.
Fuck.
It's good enough. They're like
Dundee.
They're like Dundee está el foto to face. And you're like, oh shit. I'm like,
que patada la cara. I'm like, oh shit. I was like, oh yo, I don't know. Joe Rogan speaks Spanish now.
I remember I was watching. I think it was the Mayweather Pacquiao fight, and no, wait, was it Mayweather Pacquiao? Yeah, one of them. And fam, I don't know who the announcers were, and for the whole fight, I could not tell what country. Like, they didn't say what country they were from, and they were kind of speaking English, but the accent was so weird. I was like, are they? I was like, they're from another planet. These aren't Earthlings. They're like, Mayweather, take a shot in his Zorperberg. And you're like,
Zorperberg, snarf, nark. Like,
they're like, yo, Pacquiao's really assaulting his glop glop. And you're like,
why you talking like the weird dragon cat thing from Thundercats?
He knocked him out. The countdown. Skra.
Snarf.
Lock. Yeah. Oh, he stands. Oh, well, you love to see that. He stood at the Glant count. Wow. It's amazing. Wow. You know, he still got some fight left in him. And you just, low key, you want to mute it, but you're like, I need sound while I watch this, so fuck it. I'm going to go through it. Then the next day, you tell your boy, you like, yo, you seen the Mayweather fight? Yo, when Pacquiao hit that nigga in the mak. Yo,
fam,
my man.
Yo, that was wild. His defense was OD. You know what I'm saying? Like,
fam, when that left hook came through, and he like, I was like, yo, I ain't seen that. The last person I saw, it was Mike Tyson back in the day, and like they don't even do that anymore, bro.
Nah, he used to take motherfuckers out in the snarf round. You know what I'm saying?
Early. Immediately, bro.
Fucking talking about DMX again. That has this been confirmed? Like Snoop versus DMX is the next versus?
It's been confirmed, but it's like on a Tuesday or some weird shit. It's not like on a weekend. And then
also, do we know that DMX is actually gonna show up? Like,
we'll see. Because I'm hoping, because if they're not in the same room, that shit's gonna be a mess. Like, like if you're doing a sound check with DMX, you better call that nigga now, okay?
Call now. Right? Tell him it's right now, and he'll get there tomorrow.
So DMX, I'm gonna need you to open OBS. He's like, OBS.
Yo, OBS.
All right, DMX, you hear me?
Boomer.
All right,
it's all
DMX, I need
system.
you. Yeah, okay, DMX, I need you.
These are the rap cats. We'll give a nigga a roll.
D?
Did we start yet?
D, can you hear me?
Yo, hey, yo.
Darkman X,
can you hear me? Dog versus the dog.
Darkman X, can you hear me?
I see your lips moving, but they're not talking. Huh?
Darkman X, I need the button.
What you want me to do?
Share your screen. DMX, please share your screen.
Should I beep Carlos?
DMX, share your screen, please.
Yo, it's the dog.
DMX, you're not looking at the camera anymore.
What?
That's not the camera.
Yo, who's talking in here? I hear talking. Talking to the dog.
You know what?
I'm talking to the Lord.
This isn't working. Someone call Ayala again. She gotta help him. She's gotta help him.
Not at my verses. Yo.
Wait, we gotta get a versus between Dr. Phil and Ayala.
Hey, yo.
Let's fucking go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, fix my life fast.
Yeah. He'd be like, yo, he's like, I don't know if you remember. I fixed this little girl's life. Her name was Bad Baby. Like, and she's like, I remember that one. I remember that.
That was one of my favorites. Oh, Catch Me Outside. How about that?
Oh, shit.
That was a classic. That was a classic, man. I gotta say.
We need more real hip hop. Yes. Like Dr. Phil Dr. Phil was doing the Jada kiss. Like he just raised his hands in the air.
He got tired and shit. He's just like, yo. yo, none of my watches a banger, yo. You didn't have to do it to him like that.
Ayala takes her shoes off. She's like, oh, I'm about to two-step in here. Catch me outside, how about that? Catch me outside, how about that? This is Dr. Phil grinding up on Ayala, like, yeah.
Hey,
Dr.
I don't give a gosh darn heck about social distancing when you got the yeeks like that. I'll tell you what.
And then he's like, it's good we hear social distancing. You know, for a good cause. I hope you guys are wearing masks back there at home. But there's like 60 people on the screen. You're like, and then Ayala drops such a strong hit. Dr. Phil starts dancing like Beanie Man. Like in the camera, like.
He starts doing the Willie bounce and shit like
Willie bounce.
Everybody.
Ayala bounce. Everybody do the Ayala bounce.
He does the Philly bounce.
I seen a Phil before, but you never seen a Phil like this. I seen a Phil before, but you never seen a Phil like this.
Bust it out now.
Oh man.
And yo, also that is such a like mad like OD like polar opposites of like energy. Because, you know, Snoop comes in, he's like, hey, Snoop D-O double G, I'm about to lay down some tracks for y'all on that ass.
They're super smooth.
Yeah.
LA shit.
And then DMX like, hey, yo, I bring beef to niggas and string them up like spaghetti. I just love when a nigga bring his whole crew. It's just a bigger piece of cake for me to chew a hole through. Snoop's like, hey, chill, nigga. Hey,
and also,
is blood coming out your eyes, cuz?
That's my favorite Common lyric. Are your eyes still bloody, girl?
Oh, no.
He did that for some sort of vampire show or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah.
But,
the Twilight soundtrack.
Shout out to Anna Kendrick.
Yo, gang.
Yo, but yeah, also shout out to everyone that's gonna listen to that Versus Party. You gonna be singing along to some very problematic lyrics.
Oh man.
Both sides. Both sides.
Yo. Fam, they're gonna cover like every problematic topic, like misogyny, homophobia, all that shit, bro. Like
a lot of y'all on the timeline, y'all real woke, y'all writing some articles, y'all doing the work, all right. But then you hear like, when they gave me all that pussy, and you even licked my balls. Okay. Don't feel bad. Michelle Obama knows that song. She does.
And DMX comes out like, yo, your man's not been in jail before? Suck my dick.
Oh, my God. He's going to. Listen.
That's party up, dog. He has to throw that. Like, Snoop Dogg has to throw gin and juice. He got to throw, he could throw, is ain't no fun? Nah, he can't.
He gotta do ain't no fun. He gotta do ain't no fun.
Yeah.
He has to. He gotta do ain't no fun. He gotta do rat-a-tat-tat, rat-a-tat-tat-tat. Because I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back. You gotta put all that in there.
Yep.
Beautiful. That's why you got that, which isn't that problematic because he's working with Pharrell. But then on the flip side with DMX, is DMX gonna play It's All Good? Love my nigga, but where's my bitches? Love my niggas. Where's my bitches? Your chicks go for fucking, so I'm fucking bitches fucking. Got a chicken while they suck it, give them dick and they be bugging. I done it all from macking 2 hoes on a 3-way, Dominican hoes on Broadway, country hoes in VA. You listen, you got some problems here.
Get ready, cause here it comes.
Yo, what other problematic songs do we got from him?
Yo, DMX definitely got a song. Hold on a second.
Wait. Here's one right here. Here's the opening lines. I got blood on my dicks because there's no remorse. And I got blood on my dick because I fucked the corpse. Come on. I'm a nasty nigga. When you pass me, nigga, look me in the eyes. What? Tell me to my fucking face that you're ready to die. Come on. You be a dead motherfucker, red motherfucker. Don't be stupid. You heard what I said, motherfucker.
Sad motherfucker.
Shout out to everyone in Fort Greene that's gonna be listening to that. Okay. Put your little mixed race baby to sleep before you blast that. All right.
Yo, fam. I'm trying to.
Yo, it's gonna be a good. And you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a good one. You know it's not. You know it's gonna be like either the volume's gonna be too low, there's gonna be like the wild glitch out, or all these verses. Their sound like yesterday when Showtime number one show in late night, Emmy nominated allegedly.
That's right.
Yeah, like Showtime sent over new equipment. It took 2 hours to set it up, bro. Like on the phone with Andy and Dave and everything. Yep. The mics were echoing. We had to get the levels right and stuff. And I'm like, and they were like, yo, thank you for sitting through this, Jesus. I'm like, yo, fam, this is what we do. We got to get sure the shit is correct.
This is our job.
So that's why when they had the verses thing and someone was like, yeah, we called 5 minutes ahead of time for a sound check. I'm like, that's not a sound check. That's not a sound check.
That's that's a sound failure.
That's like the sound checks we used to do on the comedy tour. They was like, you guys want to do a sound check? We just go on the mic and be like, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, good. We're good. We're gonna go back and smoke and drink now.
Yeah. They were like, you guys want a sound check? We're not audio engineers. We have no idea how the fuck this sounds. Like
I don't know.
We're literally talking to a microphone in an empty theater. Like
yo, you asking me about decibels and shit? Like I don't know. What the fuck?
Shout out to, I think it was the Baltimore show again. Feel terrible about this. The sound was terrible. It was like something about the way the speakers were hitting the back wall
bouncing.
And people didn't hear us and shit.
It was
like
wild.
People were yelling at us, and we were like yelling back. We was like, "Yo, we can't even hear you."
I don't know what you're saying. We can barely hear each other.
They was like, "Yeah," I was like, "I can't hear Mero. What do you want? What do you want?" Like, what the fuck, bro? Where's me peace, bruv?
Yo, we're playing charades right now, B. What the fuck?
I'm looking at Mero. I'm like, I think he's talking about backwards. All right, fuck it, let's go. And Mero's looking at me. He's like, probably something about he's Jamaican. Probably something about one of his jobs. I don't know. Shit. Okay, he's moving forward.
He's doing. He's talking about go-go. Let's go.
I think he's doing Yesenia. Wait. Oh shit. Fuck.
He's doing the hand thing. He's definitely doing.
Wait, no. He's doing something. He's talking about Judy. I don't know. Fuck.
Fuck.
Shit.
I go. Shout the big man in the crowd right there. I see you, my nigga.
I get tired. I just started the crowd. I'm like, yo, time out. We need a defensive hustle. Yo, come here, Mero. Like, I can't hear you, bro.
Yeah, I can't.
Like, how we doing?
Yeah, no, these mics. I don't know,
bro. Fuck it. You know what?
DJ
fuck it. We can't hear each other, so you know what? When we go out there, we just do the intro for fucking Super Thug. You know?
Yeah. All right, let's do it.
All right,
bring the house
1, 2. All right, Bodega Boys. Count 3. 1, 2, 3. Bodega Boys.
All right. Let's go.
All right. And I'm just Victor's on the mic on the back like whoa 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 whoa. No, it's not.
Like the Erykah Badu version? Am I doing the unplugged?
Victor's not even in the back. Victor is on a microphone, like in the audience. No, he's in a microphone on stage with the spotlight on him. And when the spotlight comes out, people lose their mind. Like it's when a big celebrity comes to the world. And we're like, oh my God, Victor! Oh my God! It's like remember when Diddy did "I'll Be Missing You" and he brought out Sting for real? It's like that. Everyone's losing their shit.
No!
Like it's like breaking news. It's trending. Like Victor performed again. They're like, oh my God! Oh my God! Somehow Victor interpolates "Kiss from a Rose" into Super Thug. It is beautiful. Like we got tears coming out our eyes.
I wish, he really backed Heidi Klum off the strength.
Listen, he did.
Hey.
Even though I feel like Heidi Klum was like, yo, how that face feel between my legs, though. Like,
yo.
All right. Yo, is that ribbed for her pleasure? Like,
yeah.
You know what? That's a little too sucio.
Yo, what man's the original rabbit?
Yeah.
He's like, yo, my forehead is stimulating the clit while I go. Hey, you know what?
Okay. Three problematic lights in a row. We have definitely gotten our
reached our quota. Bro, I just looked at the end of the last line of verse 2 of Rough Riders Anthem. I was just like, okay. I'm just like, yo, problematic. I was like, yo, dude, his biggest, like, all his biggest hits got at least one line that it's like, yo.
Hold on, the last verse on Rough Riders Anthem, let's see.
Verse 2, last line. Bitches caught the vapors and now they want to.
Wow.
Oh,
Jesus.
Wow.
Wow,
Okay.
Wow. Oh, wow. That was actually, that was something that was on TMZ. He said that his baby's mother raped him. Holy shit.
What?
The mother of DMX's 2-year-old love child doesn't like being called a rapist. In a lawsuit filed by Monique Wayne, former groupie turned baby mama.
Oh, shit.
This is from TMZ. This is not, I'm not, she told Sisters, October episode of Sister magazine. Wow, throwback. DMX, real name Earl Simmons, claimed that on the day of his encounter with Wayne, he had drunk sex, did a whole video shoot. He then describes how he fell asleep on the couch with his man out, and then Wayne gave birth to a child 9 months later. What?
Yo, it's funny because I'm looking at the Rap Genius annotation, and I'm thinking it's gonna be some bozo shit. Like, I'm like, yeah, Biz Markie got a song called The Vapors.
Yeah, and they had the whole thing there.
Blah, blah, blah. To give an extreme example, DMX claims he was raped by Monique Wayne. I'm like, yo, whoa.
Hey, yo,
what the fuck?
I wonder if he's gonna. You know what? I wonder if that. I was like, are they gonna bring that up at the verses? And I'm like, why would they bring that up at the verses? Like,
Snoop's like, hey man, what's up with Monique? He's like, hey yo, don't bring that bitch up when we doing our verses. Yo,
relax. Relax, Mero, relax, bro. Relax.
Yo, relax. Now we have to watch this shit just to see like how much of this shit is gonna happen.
Oh shit. Yo, speaking of watching shit, well, this is not really watching shit, but congrats to me and Mero for voting for the Emmys. Okay?
Yes, we did.
We did our civic duty. Some of y'all are famous and don't do shit like that because you're not nominated. I totally get it. But we did. And we didn't do the scumbag thing where you only vote for yourself in one category. We voted in every category for shows.
Every single one.
So basically, if you
guest appearance in an animated short.
Yes.
All that shit.
So basically, if you've ever been on any of our shows, you've ever talked highly of us, you've ever interacted us on Twitter,
nominated you. Yes.
We nominated you. Okay? Or if we've ever watched something you were in and we fuck with you. Like, I nominated Bokeem Woodbine several times, even though he was not on the form. Because that's just how it goes. All right?
I nominated the entire cast of Insecure for every category.
There you go. I was like, you know what? I think Wesley Snipes didn't get his roses for Blade, so I'm nominating him. They was like, this isn't for movies, Jesus.
Sir, this is TV. This is the Emmys.
Yeah, I was like, where's the? They're like, funniest female lead in a sitcom. I was like, Belly. They were like, what?
What? Like, sir, there's no write-ins.
The Academy called me and was like, you wrote in Belly for every category except for the one you and Mero were in. I was like, oh shit, write us in for that too.
Yo,
I was like,
fam, and I'm like, yo, am I trash for like just voting for us and then like not voting for anybody else in the category?
Put it this way.
Like, in my mind,
I thought the same thing, but put it like this: say you worked at a job, and they. Well, first of all, no job is going to let people vote for who's Employee of the Month. But if they did, why would you vote for someone else if you know you're putting the work in? You know what I'm saying? Listen. We're all just happy to be here, bro. Yeah, we all just happy to be here in the NBA, but there has to be a trophy at the end of it.
At the end of the day, somebody got to hoist that trophy. You know what I'm saying?
I just hope whoever wins doesn't like mock us and say that whole speech back at us. Like they're holding the trophy and they're like, it's just John Oliver saying it in a wild British accent.
At the end of the day, somebody has to hold the trophy. It's me.
Oh, wow.
For the 5th year in a row. These two fellows stole one of my writers. They have a phrase that they say, I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Suck my fanny from the back.
I'm watching at home.
Wow.
I'm like, word. I grab my phone. I said a 2-word text to Mero, and this is like, bing, knife crime. Like, yeah, let's fucking go. Yo.
I just respond back, ready, mate, M8.
Yo. Listen, bro. I don't think you guys are ready. If John Oliver wins, me and Mero are doing Top Boy season 4. Okay, listen. All right. Yeah, where's me statues, mate? Where's me statues, mate? Huh? Just me and it's me and Mero at Buckingham Palace eating mad beans like Wild Vex. Yeah, bro.
Yes, I don't like
bro.
That. Yeah.
I say we hit him with a Brexit, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, listen, mate. This guy's been resting on his laurels, been doing work. He's out here. He's never been in it. He's never stepped foot in the council estate.
Yeah, he's never been to Peckham. Couldn't survive in Brixton. I say we throw mans them off Big Ben. Like, what? All the Americans are confused. They're like, I think it takes place in England. And all the English people are like, what the fuck are they talking?
What are they talking?
What is that?
It's not, yo, stop.
They're talking like the Disney movie The Aristocats. I'm like, what?
Yo,
I'm like, yo, John, give it up to us before I put you in a Trafalgar. They're like, that's not a thing. That's a wow, Jesus, you got family there. Like, you gotta come on, bro.
That's a Harry Potter spell, dog.
I just get like mad. I get mad upset face emojis from all my cousins in England and shit. I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, just put the phone down. Like, oh, sorry.
Yo, my bad, yo. That starts blowing up. You're like,
it's like the group. The group chat I have that's called Across the Pond Mates that they don't like. And they're like, stop doing that. Stop talking about us on the podcast. I'm like, I can't, bro. I got Z tolerance for that.
Z tolerance.
Z tolerance. But yes, we voted. And if we win, as we said, we're not, I don't know, because we're going to probably be at home. We probably can't wear Vans and jackets. Maybe we can. Maybe we can wear NASCAR jackets. But we probably will smell like the Pacquiao. So.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's what we do. That's what we do. That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. Smoking. Also, shout out to everyone. Excuse me. Had to burp. Ooh. Not the corona. Had to burp.
No, that was good.
Shout out to Heaven and our happy hour. Shout out to Digital Team. Y'all killed that.
Yo.
But in the YouTube comments, everyone was like, wow, Jesus just found Durban poison, the weed. I smoked that in the 80s. Congrats to you for smoking weed in the 80s. What the fuck, bro? The shit just got to the... Like... Nigga, I didn't go to a dispensary and say, oh, what weed do you suggest? In the Bronx, it's like, hey, this is the weed that's available. The weed that was available.
Go, nigga, go, right? go. Papi, take it and go. Take it and go.
Imagine me saying to a person, risking jail time to deliver me weed, I can't smoke this because YouTube says this is an old strain.
Yeah.
My nigga. Like, I'm just happy for weed, bro.
I'm just happy to be here. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just happy to have the cannabis on decky. You know what I'm saying? That's it.
I'll take it even further. When people tell me the names of weed, I'm just like, it doesn't even matter.
I'm like, yo, I don't care.
Matter.
Just roll that shit up.
Me smoking weed is like a dog eating food. It don't matter, bro. If it goes in my mouth, it's going in my mouth. Hey, yo,
They gotta come up with a strain called Glizzy.
Relax.
Ooh, Glizzy. Ooh, but it has to be like, okay, Glizzy. But it gotta be a little more. Because you gotta be
fat Glizzy. Fat Glizzy.
Glizzy. Oh shit.
Wet Glizzy.
Wet Glizzy for my throat goats. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
If you ain't choking, you ain't smoking.
Hey, listen, Victor, copyright that. Come on, bro.
Yeah.
You know what? And this is kind of fucked up. Well, it's not kind of fucked up. If Corona didn't hit, I think we would have had a dispensary in LA by now.
Oh, absolutely.
Do you understand? A Bodega Boys, a Bodega Hive dispensary?
Sir?
Victor, get out the Zoom and go make it happen. Come on, bro.
Listen, if I get one of those licenses, I'll be out the Zoom permanently.
It's just Victor in an airplane hangar and shit with like a Hawaiian shirt open with unbuttoned, like,
yo,
baby, it's in my blood to distribute.
Sir.
Heavy.
Sir. I don't like to draw lines on this podcast, but when Victor starts getting a problematic light, we're in trouble, okay? The only time Victor's ever got a problematic light before was like he slayed some independent film that I didn't know about, but I was just like, all right. He was like, it's like the worst thing I've ever saw. I was like,
Frazier. If only Clyde Frazier was here. Talking about how he never got a problematic light when he was
exactly. You see, Victor got a problematic light. I played in the NBA my whole life, and I never got a problematic light. You know that?
You know, I appeared on over 15,000 podcasts and never got a problematic light.
Another thing people don't realize, I never cheated on my wife. Now, a lot of these niggas was dirty dicking their wives, especially Michael Jordan. You're like, what? Whoa. Like, why'd you throw him under the bus? You know, Juanita always said he wasn't about shit. You're like, what? Clyde Frazier just spilling mad tea. He's like, Patrick Ewing has some whack ass knees and never got a championship, but that's what he gets for being Jamaican. He always smelled like curry goat. You're like, nigga.
Yo, fam.
What? Are we right
here? Yo, my favorite thing about Clyde is that he don't care. Like, he'll slander
he don't give a
shit.
Shit.
Some dumb shit.
Yep.
Like, my favorite shit ever.
I know what you're gonna say.
Bargnani 3, yes. What is he doing? Just like he didn't even say like a specific phrase and all like that, but just when he said, "What is he doing, folks?" Just like that.
The funniest part about that, he said that, and all of us at home said it at the same exact time. The same exact time. I was like, "What, bro?
What are you doing? Hold the ball!"
And I say this, as bad as the Knicks have been for my whole entire life, I would kill for a Knicks game right now, even if they lost, just to watch a fucking sports event, bro.
I'll watch that game again. And by the way, when you go on YouTube and you type in Bargnani, the first thing that pops up is Bargnani three-pointer.
Yeesh. Oh, man. Bargnani. Daniello Bargnani, bro. Wow. Oh shit!
Yeah, you gotta love it.
We like to drop knowledge here. So today,
man, that was a moment. That will truly test your Knicks fandom. You know what I'm saying?
Being a Knicks fan will truly test your Knicks fandom. Think about it, like the Knicks pissed us off where there was no basketball. The Knicks botched their Black Lives Matter statement. Like how, fam? All they literally had to do was copy and paste any other team's Black Lives Matter statement.
Literally. Like, yo, like, and they were like, whole NBA shit.
They was like, yo, we play basketball, so we can't really say if Black Lives Matter. Sorry, y'all.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? There's good people on both sides. Yo, chill, edit that out.
Yo. Oh, man.
A moment that will live in infamy.
Infamy, bro. Infamy. But not as infamous as, a lot of y'all wasn't there, and I remember this. It was a concert I seen. It was,
chill, hold on. I gotta hear this. We gotta hear this. For y'all that don't know, when y'all watch you got League Pass, Clyde is a treasure to us. You know what I'm saying? We love Clyde. And just the desperation in his voice right here, dog, it sent me into the netherrealm.
No, your AirPods are.
Yo, your AirPods are in. This is great because it's a Zoom. Shout out to Mero because Mero clearly brought the MacBook to the microphone so it would play out loud, and we're all sitting here. And you just see Mero exploding with laughter, and me and Victor are looking at each other like,
It was just a zoomed in shot of an AirPod Pro wedged into his ear canal.
Also, how is your earpod made of plantains? How is that possible? What kind of dykement is going on?
I'm resourceful.
Yo,
what is he doing, folks? What is it, yo?
Oh, listen. I knew.
Go watch it.
I knew Walt Frazier was the man when he said after when the Knicks, you know how every time in the third quarter they just blow a lead, he goes, their Xanadu has turned into their Waterloo. And that is literally one of the greatest statements I've ever heard in the history of sports. Like the high levels of that, bro. I'm gonna get that tattooed on my back underneath my tattoo of 30 pizzas in 20 days by Papa John. I'm gonna get a Papa. Drake has mad tattoos on his back, so I gotta catch up. So I'm getting Papa John tattooed. I'll get an what's his name? Who's the guy? Suck that baby dick.
Cuba.
Get a Cuba Gooding Jr. tattooed on my back.
Cuba on deck.
The My Pillow guy.
For sure.
Who else? Mary from 227. Mary. Yeah. Who else? Just to piss off the actor Urkel. I'm gonna Urkel tattooed on my back just to piss off Jaleel White. I'm getting Big Time Tommy. I'm gonna get Anna Kendrick, of course. I'm gonna get Erykah Badu pointing at DJ Academic and saying he looks like Tom and Jerry. Getting that on my back bicep. And let me see what else. Any more tattoos I need? I'll get a picture of P.O. Gotta get P.O. on there. Yeah.
Like and the little the little baby Jesus statue.
Yeah, exactly in the middle of the back. In the middle of the back like John Wick. All right, Drake, I'm coming for the
I know fucking baby, I fucking Messiah.
Yeah. Oh, say less. And then just on my neck it says Boney Goats, and it's like it's a skeleton playing a tuba, but he has dreads. Yes, that is the Boney Goats logo. Bodega High, please draw that for me. Whoever draws that the best, we making t-shirts. We making Boney. Listen, Boney Goats is going to save America. What if that's our?
Out on stage and be like, "What are they doing, folks?"
Judd Apatow, I'm talking to you. Make this movie about how we make a ska band and it unites America during Trump and COVID.
Yes.
Wow, that sounds so. That sounds so bad. I know right now a Netflix exec just nutted. He was like, how do I make this?
How do I make this? Is this a Marvel property? Let's make it.
I'm like, yo, I need $3 million to make this movie. He's like, you need 30 mil? I'm like, I said 3. What the fuck is wrong with you? 300 mil. I mean, I think we could find that. I'm like, it doesn't. You know what? We're just gonna build you a new planet to film on. I'm like, shit.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. You got it, guys. Yeah. What was that show? They had a show. Was it Marco Polo? That cost like $80 zillion an episode, and the shit had like half a season. I think that was it.
You might be right. 9 million per. Woo! 9 million per episode, and for a 10 episode series. Wow, I have never fucking heard of. What was the name of that when we were at a different network that we're probably still kind of related to right now? Remember they had a fake Hunger Games teen thing?
Oh yeah.
What was the name of that?
Yo, Chronicles of Shania Twain.
Yeah.
Fam, remember how tight they used to get when we used to roast the show on our show?
Yo,
like they were right
but
there.
You know what? The show did not impress me much. Yo, I remember being super tight because we were both like, that's when Walking Dead was like popping.
Yes, and it was in the lobby.
We were like, oh shit, yo,
you guys got Walking Dead, and it was like,
oh,
there was like, no, that's Chronicles of whatever. I was like,
Shania,
I fucking heard of that show,
man. I was like, man. I turned into that dolphin meme, like, what did you say, nigga?
Yo, and then we found out how much each episode costs, and we was like, yo, my man, are you serious? Ain't nobody watching this shit. Yo, are you for real? Are y'all niggas for real with this shit? Meanwhile, we asked for anything for our show. They was like, whoa. We was like, hey, can we get lunch? They was like, whoa.
Yo, hold up.
We
gotta bring in a tray from the cafeteria. Yeah.
There was
that show's like a Riker storm, nigga.
It
like,
really was.
We'd be backstage with like Nori and like his manager, Charlemagne, like a bunch of fucking.
Bro, at one point we were backstage with Nori, Taxstone, Mac Miller, Kaz, Andrew Schultz, Crystal, Kid Fury, Vashti, just random rappers, Charlemagne, Wax, Stephanie Santiago.
Yo, like everybody's here. Like,
if it was done right, Uncommon Sense would have been one of the greatest shows ever in the history of TV.
Ever of all time.
Ever. And I think, we should bring it back because I think we know enough about TV now. We could probably make it. Because the problem was I see they would, listen, we worked with people and they're creators and, you have a creative vision and sometimes corporate stunts the creative vision. Mm-hmm. But they had a clear creative vision and it was like too much that corporate was like, you need to chase this. So it's like, it's a comic show. Why are we talking about school shootings? You know, that kind of shit?
Yeah.
Like, that's not
fuck
what
up the
people
vibe halfway through. Yeah. It's like sequencing on the album, dog. Like, you don't throw like the shoot a motherfucker up joint right after the joint for the ladies.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, come on.
Or like Pokemon was super big. Like, the app had just come out, and we did an episode about Pokemon. We knew nothing about Pokemon. Like, our audience didn't give a shit about Pokemon.
They don't fucking Pokemon, dog. They come in and watch motherfuckers talk about hood shit. Like, black people shit.
And that's the problem. You get a show, and you do gimmicky shit to get eyeballs. When the gimmicky shit falls, and the hosts are exposed, not that they can't carry the show, but that the show is not even what they wanted to do, it fails. And I was the other day I was watching a show on Showtime. It was these two brown guys, and their names Desus and Mero, and
I heard
the language, it's a little salty, but a couple of good guys. It's a little blue, but I don't like how they talk about cops. But give them a shot. Give them a shot. They got some good guests.
They got some good takes.
Some good takes. It's funny.
I like the sports betting stuff.
Yeah, that's cool. It's Desus got a lot of sneakers. I tuned in, and the Dominican kid, he was deep throating a glizzy. I respect him for that.
I love it. I love to see it because every time I go to the stadium, man, I put those glizzies down my throat.
Oh my god, that's what I miss so much about missing baseball, bro. I just when the nub hits the back of your throat, bro, that's a feeling that can't.
Man. Oh, the natural casing.
You know that video of Cuba Gooding Jr. being arrested and like they're walking about the precinct? That's me getting thrown out of Yankee Stadium for deep throating a glizzy.
Oh, man, you got mad sauerkraut, you beard and shit.
Mad mustard and shit. I'm like, I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
I don't care.
I'll do it with a sausage. I don't care. I'm a savage.
Yo.
We savages in the box. CC Sabathia just stands and does a slow clap like, that's my Desus.
Hey, cuz. Salute, cuz.
I come back. The bleacher seats, I add my name to the roll call. They're like, Glizzy Gladiator. Glizzy Gladiator. I take my hat off and tip him.
Yo, thank you.
When I take my hat off, mad sauerkraut that I smuggled into the stadium falls out. Like, I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit! No, I need pickle cabbage.
Can you get thrown out of Yankee Stadium for trying to smuggle in sauerkraut?
Yo,
you know what? I don't think you get thrown out. I know a lot of the people that work at Yankee Stadium listen to our podcast, so they probably roast the fuck out of you.
Oh hell yeah!
They probably they call other guards over like, yo, this nigga smuggling sauerkraut.
Sauerkraut, dog.
This nigga,
and he boofed it.
This nigga bring us. Yo, my man's.
Yo, you boofed a can of sauerkraut? And
whose kraut is this? Like, I'm like, oh, wow. Wow. Yo, whose kraut is this?
Yo, sauerkraut becoming in mad different packaging, too. I copped some
yeah, I did, too. I did, too. You know what it is.
Grill. You know the vibes.
Glizzy time. Go, glizzy time. Got those back and deep throat. Got those salted meats on my mind. On my mind.
Glizzy. I'd set it to treat myself, you know what I'm saying? And I copped the boar's head, you know what I'm saying? I copped the brand names.
Yeah.
Supermarket brand.
Living that good life. Living that good life.
I'm like, yo, I feel like this shit feels like drugs, fam. Like, it feels like a brick of something that I should tape to my thigh. Like, it didn't even feel right. Like, I had sauerkraut out of a can. Like, yo, in a bag, I'm like, what do I do with all this sauerkraut once it's open? It's not resealable.
Bro, thank you. Didn't sauerkraut used to come in a jar? Like, now it comes in a bag, and I'm like, yo, fam, I'm not.
How many glizzies do you think I'm eating? I'm not Joey Chestnut.
I'm not making hot dogs for all the Yankee Stadium, all right? Like, fam, you gave me a year's supply of sauerkraut. Who needs that?
What are you doing, folks?
Okay? I think Big Sauerkraut doesn't want us to realize you'll probably only use a handful of sauerkraut in your whole entire life. Think about it. Think about it. Every hot dog you've had has just been a sprinkle of sour. It's not been enough to justify buying a pouch of sauerkraut.
A kilo of sauerkraut.
Meanwhile, all the sailors from back in the day is like, oh, wow. I guess Desus wants scurvy. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Too good for pickled cabbage, pal?
Wow, bro. Look at my legs. I walk like a bad bitch, but no, I'm bow-legged because of scurvy. Okay? So, what the fuck, bro? You just see Blackjack Savage. He's like, damn, I can see it from the back. He's like, no, nigga, I got scurviosos. Here, eat these orange skins.
Yo,
I'm laughing because that's wild. It's like, yo, people had to worry about scurvy. They're like, yo, yeah, if the Earth survives in, I want to say, probably 20 years, they're gonna look back at us like that.
Yeah,
they're gonna be like, wow. They're gonna be making jokes. They're going to be making jokes like, you like them stupid Americans in 2020 that didn't want to wear a mask. And then it's going to, because of how it's going to be an oral history, people are going to assume every American in 2020 didn't want to wear a mask. And as history goes on, it's going to do the downfall of America, and they're going to make us all seem like blithering idiots at the end that we all voted for Trump, we all were anti-mask, we were all out on Steinway smoking hookah. It's not right, bro.
Trump went in a landslide.
Yeah.
They're going to use his picture of the inauguration instead of the real picture of the inauguration. Like,
it's not right, bro. It's not right, bro. So the way I figured this out in 3rd grade, how we fix it. Everyone has to get a chainsaw, get a map of America, and then go to where each state is attached. And if we detach all the states, no more America, and we're fixed.
There you go. Bang.
Bang.
New York, it becomes its own thing, and we just like float away, you know what I'm saying, into the Caribbean and become part of the West Indies.
Yes, me and Mero, we are going to chainsaw the Bronx from the United States and drag it down to the Caribbean. So if you're a Bronx resident, please sell your North Faces now, because you're not going to need them a little bit.
Right now. Send them
right now.
See your cousins in Canada or some shit.
And some of y'all are like, that's funny. How y'all going to move the Bronx all the way to the Caribbean? And I'm like, how did French Montana get to La Marina?
Like, in a yacht.
On a jet ski, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Pull up on a yacht, right?
Yeah. And then he skated off of your thought.
There we go.
You know
so jet skis and yachts, and we're going to drag the Bronx down.
That's right.
And that way, we're reopening La Marina in the Caribbean.
where it's supposed to be, where the sand is real.
Some of y'all are like, Jesus' idea is stupid. Imagine it's 90 degrees and you're on East Tremont and you can hear the ocean. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Doesn't sound so bad now.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
You know what I'm saying?
What about the waterfall on the top of Fordham Road? Huh?
Uh-huh.
You want that?
That part.
You know that part.
Over the Checkers.
Okay.
You get mad wet walking into Checkers.
City Island. They catch their own fish for real. They got like mad tropical Caribbean shrimp and shit.
They're like, oh shit, they got grouper now. Okay,
This is nice.
Okay. Filet of sole. Oh shit. Okay.
Listen, do you not want to go to Sandals Bay Plaza? Huh? With they're just nude in the parking lot. Like, Yo,
mad beaches in the parking lot with mad French tourists, butt nilsy.
Yo, honk honk. Yo, move your chair. I'm trying to park. I'm going to Stop and Shop.
I'm trying to work on Zitan.
Move your beach chair. This is a parking lot.
This is a beach. This is Caribbean island.
Yo, fam.
Relax.
Yo, my family's
and buy
hide your foreskin. My family's in the car. What the fuck is wrong with you?
No, this is a natural thing.
You know what? I had enough of you. Move. Listen, you gonna move that beach chair. I'm gonna get out this car. Trump 2020, motherfucker. Yo.
Oh, these dumb Americans.
Yo, see? I told you. You should have went to Sandals Riverdale. Okay? Yeah, bro.
It's a better neighborhood.
Oh my God. All of a sudden, Van Cortlandt becomes like the most prized property in the Caribbean. Like, they're like,
they got built-in barbecue. They got built-in barbecue fucking pits.
There's a golf course. There's a lake. Like,
what? Yo.
Like, they're doing mad specials. They're like, yeah, the island of the Bronx is the only island that has staircases for no reason. I'm not sure where they lead to.
Don't understand.
There's like
a staircase into the ocean.
There's like monkeys and shit on the Joker steps. Like, yo.
jumping down and shit, like throwing shit at you, like
everyone's still playing.
Take a picture.
Everyone's still playing real hip hop, but they're doing it using steel drums and shit. You're like, yo, yo. He's playing shot. He's playing a shot caller on the drum, on the steel drum, like. Oh.
Shawty wanna be a baller.
Oh. Make it happen.
Sing songy French Montana.
Let's make it happen, bro.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Man. Woo. Listen, we've been talking for quite some time.
Yes,
you know
we
what I'm
have.
saying? Another one. Because that's the ease of this podcast.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
no
saying?
writers, no direction, no written,
Nah.
off the Domington. You know what I'm saying?
Pow. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all can't see us.
Listen.
We're doing the mellow thing right now. Bow, 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 bow. View to the dome.
Listen, I don't want to. Listen, the only two people I know in this entertainment industry that can produce on the level we can produce are the Boney goats.
That's right.
Oh God, we're making it happen. We're going to make the Boney goats a real thing.
It's gonna happen.
You know, it could work.
Yeah, and for everybody that's gonna, I know that I've snorted several times throughout this podcast. Yo, my nose hair is so out of control, dog. I feel like I'm a cokehead. I keep touching my nose, like there's like little coke particles in it, but it's just wild long nose hairs.
Bro, I can't, like, the hair is getting out of control. It's just,
the ears
like,
and the nose hair is like, I charge my little like attachment, like the nose hair.
The nose hair thing?
On my shit. That should be making a motherfucker tear up like crazy, dog. Like,
yeah. You know what else makes a motherfucker tear up like crazy? That fucking COVID test.
yo,
Bro.
Whoa! Yo!
Bro.
Man.
And it's the same guy comes every time. And he's like, yo. And
Mad jovial.
I'm just like, let's get this over with. And he's like, yeah, it's pretty chill. Like,
it's like, yeah, I've been doing a lot of these. Usually our lab does other stuff, but we've taken a lot of COVID stuff. Yeah.
it's not. Listen,
And he's just there
bro.
putting the gloves on and shit, and like the fucking little fisherman looking ass fucking thing, whatever the fuck.
Wow, this is wild sucio for me to say this. It's not so bad when he sticks it in; it's when he twists it around.
Oh yeah, that's that part. Fam.
Because I'm like, you twist it. I'm like, how many times you gonna turn it? Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, you turned it once.
Yeah, that's
like,
enough.
My nose ain't a Rolex, bro. You don't gotta wind it. Like, stop. I'm begging you. Please. My man, I need you to please.
Yo.
Relax.
Take it easy.
Oh man. But yeah, bro. Listen. Another one. Another classic episode in the books.
Another one.
Not for nothing. We recorded a lot today. We recorded a lot. We recorded the show. We recorded this podcast for 2 hours. Like, you know what I'm saying? We does this though, and you know what? We're happy to do it. We love to do it. It's fun work. It's fun to do.
Y'all.
We love y'all. Mwah, T. Mwah. We love the listeners. Mr. Fun loves the kids. You know, it's not properly. But... It's true, bro. And on that note, it's been your boy Young Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go. Yay! So, but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's Rodorando, Mio Novas at the 94 in Nueva York, and the Kale going off, the Juve Boss, MC Looking P, putting up for 40. With who? You know her?
Shorty.
Oh, that's your shorty?
Oh, you hate to see it.
Wow, that's so embarrassing for you. Wow. Hey, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Also, it's not lost on me that 90% of my AKAs are activities I can no longer incorporate because of coronavirus. So, the original, like, for example, the original My Plus One got a plus one, so don't make a fuss son. Like, ain't no plus ones no more. These rosters
if you're in Florida.
You know, Jermaine avocado toast. Can't get any avocado toast around here. And also, making avocado toast at home is stupid. I'm sorry. Like, it's not. It don't hit the same.
Nah.
Once you've eaten avocado toast with Hollywood execs in the Ace Hotel in L.A., You can't go back to homemade avocado toast, bro.
Nah.
They don't hit the same.
Yeah, even if you throw a little bit of alfalfa on top, it's still different.
A little black pepper? No, it's not the same.
Yeah,
Don't hit the same. Young Pa, the ghost of Mufasa. Young Chuckoo out the coonery. Okay, Tillimon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que?
Hey, papi.
Hey, papi, Mero, listen, I got a couple of choppies. We sneak them in the bubble, you know.
We can do that, you know.
We sneak them in the bubble, and hopefully they don't see I have a bubble on my penis, you know.
Hey.
The bubble on his penis isn't even a sexually transmitted disease. It's just from people sniffing coke off it. Because the 80s are wild.
That is wildin'.
3 Phone Jones, G's like Machina, Jay Chuckles, Human Sandy Cups, the Human Dr. Bond is labeled Dalu.
3 times.
Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240 P like my Pinot Blurry, DJ Woolite, aka listen to Watch FM. Up next, I just recently rediscovered this. Do you remember Sunny, Soul of a Hustler? It was a song from way back in... I want to say, hold on, where's Sunny?
Yo, I thought Victor was drinking lean.
If Victor wants to drink lean, he has every right, bro. He has every right. You know what's wrong with you, bro? Don't lean shame. What, lean? Oh, you're gonna start doing mushrooms and shit?
Expand your mind, bro.
It's never too late to do drugs.
Yo, listen, I'm gonna just come out and say it. Do Somali, fuck it.
Yeah. You know what?
I do Somali. You know what? We'll
all do Molly together. Every employee of Bodega Boys is going to do Molly. All right.
Guys, like
some of y'all are on the Zoom. Some of y'all are not. You're gonna do Molly. So we're doing it's called a growth event. Okay. If you can't trust your coworkers, what's the point?
Guys, like I'm not sure about the Molly. Victoria's like I already got it, boss.
Yo. Yes. So Sunny it was a track. It dropped in 05. It's like hustling and all this shit. And I remember I used to relate to that track so hard because he's talking about like some of the stuff I couldn't relate to because he's talking about his mother used to charge him to eat food in the kitchen. Like my mother never did that. But other parts about losing work to custies because you had to give them free drugs so they would trust you or that sort of shit. Yeah, you know the vibes. So shout out to him for making a real nigga anthem. And also, shout out to Future, because 5 years ago, yesterday, he dropped the classic DS2. Woo! Yes. Boy, listen.
What?
Listen, can we, I am supposed to be doing my AKAs right now. Can we just stop for a second and remember what exactly was on DS2?
Yes.
Do you know the tracks? I thought it was a drought. I served the base. Where you at with your groupies? Little one, stick talk, freak hole, rotation, slave master, blow it back, colossal, rich sex, blood on money, trap niggas, the Percocet, joint, and my favorite song that shows black women matter. Real sisters, all right?
Real sisters.
The Future was like, yo, salute to all my real sisters in the movement.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Salute to Angela Davis. Salute to Jamila. Salute to all the women out there at the protest, making it happen.
That's right. Because that's exactly what the song is about.
No, I thought that was what the song was gonna be about. But I'm just like, he gotta have a content because I'm so hip hop, real hip hop. I thought you were still required to have a conscious song on your album. Remember that? Remember how albums always had albums always had the conscious song that was like wild cringy and stuff. Yep. But he came on and he was like, I don't give a fuck if they real sisters. I was like,
wow, okay, that's wild.
Sir, in this economy? Yo. Yo, the Curry Goat, Desus Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray and Nephews, Nephew the Moreno, you cannot contain. The Human Meme, Word the Jaw, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Hedwig Budquist, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Word is melting in your mouth. It is 11:38 p.m. and we are still recording this fucking podcast. Bodega Hive, you are welcome. The Human Word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, More Savage Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Mega B, but I got that cucumber. number. Due to the press, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dun Dada Ganoush. No more couple news. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. said 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change. Give me big money. What you want? The only answer my salute is Dipset. Mr. Sacker, catch me at square one top left. Trills, Rosudo. Holy cow. Mr. Stop Punks. All I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, purple stuff, and it's me. Sunny D. Cha-ching. I'm hiding behind the baking soda. Ha 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 ha.
I've been here for 6 months and I'm still not bad. Ha ha.
Hey, guy, guess what? Those cold cuts went bad. You might want to throw them out. They got mold on them. Ha 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 ha. David Yerman. Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red Bottles, Jesus Bloody Shoes. Smoke Heem, Noah. Andrew Coonanen. That's right. AKA Junior, and you got Junior. Come sit down, pop me. Charge out. Yes. Like I'm Dr. Phil at the Verses. Yeah. Come sit down, pop me. Charger. Ayala. Kobe Pecco got your bitch on feet, talker, a gossip, a Sayasi. Shout out to the 11791. You know what I'm saying? We bang with Judd Apatow, bro. You know what I'm saying? Don't get your face slashed in Babylon, bro. You know how we go. AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket, my nigga.
That's right.
Your mad Dead-Eye Jesus. Morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if... Wow, can't really steal anything from because of coronavirus, but be ashamed if I grabbed this mimosa from someone drinking outside and ran away with it.
That's right. Ha ha!
He's
Gave
like,
myself
that's not
Corona.
You won't even get a desk appearance ticket for that. Like you're just wasting everyone's time. I'm like, I'm trying, man.
That's not even a violation. Is that a
violation? It's a pandemic. I'm trying to return to normalcy. Okay, not much Dead-Eye Jesus can do in a pandemic. You know, Jesus. Mr. Virtually shopping at Street Easy with a bad breezy like I'm easy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic addict who'll crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Mr. La Marina in a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. Woo! You gotta imagine me singing that with like the wild church choir behind me. Like, and for some reason, Pink is on. And for some reason, Pink is on stage and she's like singing very hard. Like it's very inappropriate.
Mad hard.
It's some award show.
Her jugular vein is popping out. She's singing so hard.
I'm turning the crowd. I'm like, everybody, clap your hands. It's Black Lives Matter. Clap your hands. Shout out to his family. Like Victor's like, I told you not to do this award show.
Come on, guys.
Why would you do the Goya? Why would you do the Goya Awards? Okay, Mero didn't even do it. Come on, bro. Think. Like, ha ha ha. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice. Just want to give it up for your man Donald Trump.
He's a Trump.
Yo, the sheep mask killer, illa. No one could be illa. The Black Zach Morris, the Port Morris, the young KPI. Hey, listen, it's your personal Jesus, aka the Palais of Peloton, aka Problematic Bay. You know, it's not a secret family if you teach them the horrible slurs that are in DMX and Snoop songs on Tuesday. So,
that's right. You know what I'm saying?
Be a good parent. Bing, boom.
Yes, sir.
Bing, boom. The next flight to DR is now leaving from gate 34. Your captain will be Kid Mero.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm drinking dirty Sprite and I'm flying this plane with my eyes closed. You know what I'm saying?
Excuse me, he cannot fly. Look at him. He can't open his eyes.
Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, I'm gonna stand up on the motor, bust a dashboard. I don't even know what that means. So I'm doing it.
While you're walking up the ramp, like you're like hitting the sides and shit. Like I'm like behind you, like oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh
like,
damn.
You get on the plane and you turn the wrong direction. You're like at first class. They're like, sir, you're flying the plane. He's like,
I get on the horn. I'm like, Katy Perry, yeah, serving Katy Perry, yeah. On the mom shit, water, mom shit. Thank you for flying JetBlue.
I have to take my headphones out because I was like watching a movie and it's like announcement in progress and I was like, oh, this must be important. And I was like,
serving Katy Perry?
Did he say Percocet? Molly Percocet? What is that what they're serving? The fuck?
Yeah, that's right. It's your boy, the Dirty Sprite Drinker. Your boy, the Kimmer, a.k.a. the Human Durag Clap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. A.k.a. Skirt. Loaded, jump the curb, hit your dog, fucking dog gangs. Keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. Listen, the leash was less than 6 feet long. I did you a favor. You know what I'm saying? I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list because y'all were so fucking hyped to come out that the shit got shut down again, stupid.
Damn. Back to phase one.
Back to phase 1. We was at phase 3. Y'all motherfuckers made us backslide. God damn it. AKA CC Dad Bath here. You know what I'm saying? AKA take it back with smoking 3 gram blunt and they hit you with this 9 hour. You know what I'm saying? Straight in your chest. You know what I'm saying? Getting to the money. It's your boy going with Stacks. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got yeah. AKA you know what I'm saying? I get my kids COVID tests every fucking hour just because you know what I'm saying? I want to be wasteful because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying?
Dad.
I don't even know how that helps, but I'm doing it. AKA Bitch Smack Biombo. AKA DM Madonna. AKA taking your baby Motobo. You cannot come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. I'm sorry, I have to self-correct. This pussy belongs to you. And
Look at the
the
growth.
agency determines
growth.
whether or not I will have access to it. My queen, thank you. I appreciate you. A.K.A. Bro Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I don't even care because it's a smart car. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. the Dominican Dundada Techman Daddy. A.K.A. Listen. I'm going to type my card in here one more time. All right? Bezos, we know you're a motherfucking villain, dog. I got my info saved in here. I don't know what the fuck. I got to put my card in here every time. I'm just trying to get this corkscrew. You know what I'm saying? Because I broke mine, and I got a bottle of wine I'm trying to drink, and I need this shit tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? If you fucking want me to embarrass you in front of the Genius Bar, you know what I'm saying? When I bring your dumb ass up there, you know what I'm saying? Your old ass, I copped you in 2014 ass. You know what I'm saying? And the manager comes out, is like, yo, how's Heather and the kids doing? I'm like, oh, they're great. You know what I'm saying? The social distancing and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Kids is good. They're back at school, but, you know, everything's good, safe. You know what I'm saying? Let me motherfucking get my shit off Amazon, dog. Stop playing with me.
Do you still, when you go to Target now, you still don't wear a mask and harass the employees like you've been privately been telling me in text messages?
Oh, no. What, I don't know what you're talking about. No.
You sent me and Victor that video on Close Friends. He was like,
no.
I remember
that
you.
Wasn't me. No. Oh, you know what it was? So Google got this thing now, right?
Yeah.
Where it's like Google Glass, but it's like contacts. So what I was doing was I had got into somebody else's Google contacts and I was looking through their eyes. And I was like, yo, look at the irresponsibility of this shit. But I didn't want to shame them publicly.
It was
so
definitely.
I sent it to y'all, just to y'all.
No, Victor could back me up. It was definitely you. You were trying to walk into a mall. They were like, sir, you need to wear a mask. He was like, get the fuck out of my face, coward. I'm not wearing no fucking mask. Then you said you had an allergy to the mask. And then at the end of the video, you were like, Trump 2020, motherfucker? I'm hitting you with a, this you?
Hey, A.K.A. Romeo Santos, so Zanny. Let me find out. That wasn't me on that video. Yo, so Zanny, let me black out. Yo, phase 4, you know what phase 4 is, motherfuckers? Me bringing your shorty on stage and having intercourse. You mad? Woo! Do something. The heel of my Chelsea boot is 6 feet long, nigga. I can kick you from here. Stop playing with me.
Oh, man.
Okay, like no touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I am so sorry, my guy, but we not having a scythe because of Corona, motherfucker. How we gonna cipher? I'm not passing you a thing that I put my mouth on. Are you wildin'? That's mad droplets on the end of that blunt. Stop. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Tom Brady, got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Phil the Ass Tyson. You know what I'm saying? I want to explore your Cosmos, ma. You know what I'm saying? With full consent, of course. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what we do. We you know what I'm saying? Full consent. You know, full enthusiastic consent. You know what I'm saying? That's what I need. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live. Big social distancing before that Rona. You know what I'm saying? Been doing it, a.k.a. Frano Messi, MVP of Gelato, a.k.a. Zaniel Benfield. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? For my agoraphobia. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
While social distancing and where?
At Mama Sushi.
Make that happen.
Yeah. They got alfresco dining, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, Little Hooks is performing it tonight.
Yo, Slit, let's go.
Little Hooks.
Yo, he's performing on the bench across the street. You know what I'm saying? Just to say keep the social distance and all that. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A.
Go Hooks.
Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your worthless life made an infant's nervous system from scratch using only what's in your kitchen cabinet? I have. Also, COVID is a hoax. Hold that. Trump 2020, motherfucker. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know what it is? It's the motherfucking Zen, man. It's gonna be AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Rupo 25. Niggas got garbage down the way and they stamp. You know what I'm saying? I think they're from like North Carolina, South Carolina. Come on, raise up. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? AKA live harassing patrons eating al fresco outdoors. It's the East Stream on Stevie B, ignoring all social distancing rules while doing his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and dope sick gloves. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? And you know, it's a weekly occurrence, mate. Seems to be that I have to explain this to you every 7 fucking days, mate.
Every 7 days.
There's only 2 rock stars left in this world. Only 2. Ruthlessly agile, according to the New Yorker.
True.
Rock stars. You know what I'm saying? And it's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on tree with a mask and shades on because I'm rolling. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'm butt rolling, bro. You know what I'm saying? AKA I'll make my friends I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying?
Never.
AKA playing NBA 2K in Portland, smoking legal, about to enter the bubble. It's Bormello Anthony. You know what I'm saying? If you bang, you know what I'm saying? If you see me in Target lighting the shit on fire because the motherfucking pigs is at it again, approach me like an Ursine mammal. I got a Molotov and Mero 4 got a cannon armed with that bricks. I'm playing. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Petty and the Ball Breakers. AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over, even though it's on Zoom. And I'll just have Mr. Funfun take over and do some party games while I night off.
Oh, thanks, Benzo. Hey kids, I'm here to teach you remotely through Zoom. So the first thing I'm gonna ask you to do is please lock the door so your parents can't come in. So you know we have a little privacy. Now I want you to go to preferences, and if they said something about auto control or about not telling
Whoa, what's going on? Whoa, hey, Mr. Funfun.
Okay.
Whoa. Leave meeting. Hit leave meeting.
Okay. I go.
Command Q.
Just hit me on TikTok. I go.
AKA I sold fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Mr. Ling and fluff that I melted in the microwave to turn into liquid. You know what I'm saying? And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is time to turn on your SAP or speak to your bilingual friend and ask him to say, yo, and ask the question that everybody asks at the end of this episode. Yo, what the fuck did Mero say? Last 30 seconds? What the fuck is that motherfucker talking about?
That's our new show on Showtime. We just dissected for half an hour.
Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que guau, llegó el coño, más loco todo. A mí no me haga paquete porque tengo los ojos apagados. Tampoco me mire más porque yo soy de problemas. Tenga cuidado. You know what I'm saying? Calentón, más caliente que un fucking fogón. You know what I'm saying? Y, yo, no hable mucho. No me hable mucho. Cuando esto es un caso. ¿Sabes qué es lo que? You know what I'm saying? Shout out La Casa, Showtime, shout out Cash App, shout out Hasan que pone la fucking nota, shout out Desus, la nota jamaquina, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Martí, el papi de la lady, 24 kilotes, put some water in it, you know what I'm saying? Shout out la bodega, Dai, la más dura, la planta, la insuperable, Big, la más loca, los piecitos de miel, you know what I'm saying? En Miami, exponiéndose al coronavirus sin importarle nada, fumando cigarrillo, back to back, motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Y shout out mi presidente Pío, de secretario de defensa activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. You know what I'm saying? Llegó mi hermano Friki, 12 años, ponerse boca floja. You know what I'm saying? Que descanso para mi hermano Sexor. Justicia a los asesinos de Breonna Taylor. Justicia la demandamos ahora, inmediatamente. Immediately in English, if you did not understand. Okay? Quédate en la casa, lávate tu mano, 6 pies de distancia, toda esa vaina buena, amarejía. Me quité, llegó el más que...
Yes.
El más duro, llegó. Y ya me quité, ya.
Like Mero said, arrest John Mattingly, Brett Hankinson, and Miles Cosgrove, and any other law enforcement officer involved in the death and cover-up of Breonna Taylor. And we're going to be on this until we get some justice.
Because this was English and Spanish.
You know what I'm saying? We riding for that. So, you know, it's been another one, episode 211. You know the vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
And yeah, just want to give a special shout out to my cousin Sarah, Nashim, Jacqueline, Martina Scully, who passed from COVID in UK.
Rest in peace.
I miss you, cousin. Rest in peace. And we out.
Rest in peace. Peace, y'all.
Holla.